Welcome to SSC Monk channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about top 200 questions that will get you sure shot 25 marks in upcoming RRB NTPC examination, and we are covering around 10 to 12 topics in this particular video. My name is Jyotiprakash Mohanty. I have cleared SSC CGL, IBPS LICID, IBPS PO, Scale 2, NABARD Development Assistant. I was working for 4 years as Development Officer in LIC of India. Now I am currently teaching, guiding students for SSC and Railway examination. See, if you are a Hindi background student, don't worry. This class will be on the basis of very basic English language. So it won't be very top hi-fi level of English I won't be speaking. So it will be easy to understand, easy to process with the class. Okay. So what we are covering. So basically, as I had already said in the video, I will be covering all these topics. I will be taking care of all the types of questions, different levels of questions that has been asked, in RRB examination. Yes, I also checked this year different RRB papers and I didn't find anything different. So in order to have a sort of clarity, I kept the previous year question because it has more variety than this year questions. But yes, if you see this year question, you will understand the same. See, what I would suggest, without panicking, start solving questions with me. Have pen and paper. Once this class is done, I will put this class PDF in the annotation without annotation format in the Telegram channel SSC Monk Official. Do join that, do practice it. But along with this, how many previous year mocks you have attempted? Go through those questions again and again till your examination is there. Also, few students are being a bit anxious about their exam city date. See, you have more time. You should be happy if your exam is not on 5th, 6th, 9th or 10th. So don't worry. You are all ready. Now each day is a bonus for all of you. Okay. So get ready. Let's start. First question. When a number n is divided by 5, the remainder is 2. When n square is divided by 5, what will be the remainder? Sir, basic remainder theorem. N into n divided by 5. Get me what? Remainder of n by 5 multiplied by remainder of n by 5. Yes or no? Yes. So remainder of n by 5 is 2. Remainder of n by 5 is 2. Now 2 into 2 is equal to 4. If I divide it by 5, it will also get me the remainder same 4. So what is the remainder? 4. I think let me keep it white. But I think white will be, yes, white is the better word to answer it. So 4 is the right answer. Clear? Next. The sum of two numbers 20, their product 96. What is the difference between two numbers? Now understand this. Sir, x plus y, it is saying 20. xy, it is saying 96. Yes or no? Yes. It is saying what is the difference between the two numbers? That means x minus y. Either here you can use what? You can use the basic algebraic formula. X minus y whole square is equal to what? Or you can simply do what? Sir, x into y 96 means, sir, I know 12, 8 is a 96. And sir, difference 12 plus 8 is equal to also 20. So 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Answer option A. Clear? This is basic common sense. Either you can go through that algebraic method or you can use some common sense. Next. The ratio of 5 numbers are 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. Now it is saying their sum is equal to 30. Find the sum of second and fifth number. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Total 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, 2, 14 plus 1, 15. Sir, it is saying 15x is equal to 30. X value is equal to 15 2 is 30. That means 2. Sir, if x is 2, second number 2x, 4. Fifth number 5x, 5 into 2, 10. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Answer option A. Clear? Next. What is the sum of squares of numbers 1 to 12? Sir, I know that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square is equal to what? Sir, sum of square of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now what is my n here? Sir, it is 12. That means 12 into 12 plus 1 13 into 12 into 2 24 plus 1 25. divided by 6. Sir, 6 2s are 12. Sir, now here it is 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 13 into 50 is equal to 650. Answer option C. Clear? Very basic question. Okay? Next. Sir, what is the sum of cubes of first four natural numbers? See, if no one understand or no one remember the formula, they can directly find out because it is all about four numbers. But if you want to remember the formula, let's say 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, so on till n cube. If it is all about first n natural numbers cube, then the value is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square of this whole thing. Clear? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, here 4 number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. My n is 4. So 4 into 5 divided by 2 whole square. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 5, 10. 10 square is equal to 100. Clear? So this is how you can answer these questions. Remember the formula. Okay? Now, if the sum of two numbers is 13, if the sum of their square is 97, what is their product? Sir, let's say x plus y 13. Sum of square x square y square 97. What is their product xy? Now, basic algebraic question. Sir, I can write x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Sir, x plus y means 13 square, that is 169. X square plus y square 97 plus 2 into xy. Sir, 169 minus 97 is equal to 272. Sir, 2xy is equal to 72. Xy is equal to 36. Answer option B. Clear? See, in some questions, you can directly answer it. Okay? In some questions, you have to figure it out. Like, see here, if you can guess that x value is equal to 9, y value is equal to 4, 9 plus 4 13, 9 square 81, 4 square 16, 81 plus 16 is equal to 97. So xy 9 into 4 is equal to 36. You can answer it this way as well. If you can't answer it this way, you can proceed through this way. Okay, next. If a positive number is subtracted from its square, we get 812. Find the number. So what it is saying, let's say the positive number is x. Now it is getting subtracted from its square. And the answer we got is equal to 812. So what it is saying, sir, x square minus x is equal to 812. Find the number. Sir, it is about x into, if I take x common, it is x minus 1. That is equal to 812. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if I say my x is 25, my x minus 12 will be 24. Sir, 5 4s are 20. That means unit digit 0. This cannot be my option. Sir, if x is 23, x minus 1 will be 22. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Unit digit 6, but unit digit should be 2. Not my option. Sir, 27 is my x. 26 will be x minus 1. 7 6 are 42. That means 2. Unit digit, so this can be probably my answer. Now 29 into 28, 9 8 is a 72. That means this can also be my answer. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now you just have to check it. Sir, 27 square is equal to what? Sir, 7 to 9. Sir, 27 into 26 will be less than 7 to 9. That means this cannot be my option. So my option is equal to option D, that is 29 is the right answer. Clear? This is how you will use your logic. That does not mean if I get 2 over here, I will mark this option and will go. It is a silly mistake. You have to check all the 4 options and decide. Clear? Next. The sum of digits of 2-digit number is 11. If the digits are interchanged, the number decreases to 63. Find the number. So what it is saying? Sir, it is saying the sum of digits of 2-digit number. That means whatever the digits, if I add it, I will get what? 11. Now if I change this digit, then if I take the difference, I will get what? 63. This is what it is saying. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here 83 is the number. If I change it, it will be 38. Sir, 63 minus 38 cannot be 63. Sir, this is 92. If I change it, this will be 29, my bad. Sir, 92 minus 29 is equal to what? Sir, 63. That means, sir, this is my right answer. Option B is the right answer because it is satisfying also. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So my right answer is equal to what? 92. Clear? This is how you can answer this question. Next. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 9. When 27 is added to the number, the place value of the digits are interchanged. For an example, it is saying, I am saying that 45 is a two-digit number. I am adding 4 plus 5, I am getting 9. Now if I am adding 27 to 8, it must be 54 because the numbers are getting interchanged, but this is not the case. Now in 27, if I am adding with 36, it should be what? 63. Yes or no? Yes, but this is what is happening. 37 plus 27 is equal to 63. So my right answer is option B. Clear? Basic question like this will be asked in NTPC examination. So get ready for this. Next. How many numbers of the first 100 positive integers are divisible by 3 or 4 without a remainder? It is saying either by 3 or by 4. That means numbers divisible by 3 plus number divisible by 4 minus numbers divisible by 3 and 4. That means their LCM 12. This is what it is. 100 by 3 is equal to 33 plus 100 by 4 is equal to 25. This means what? 33 numbers are completely divisible by 3, which are first 100 positive numbers. 100 by 4 is equal to 25. That means 25 positive numbers can completely divisible by 4. 100 by 12 means 8. That means 33 plus 25, that is equal to 58, minus 8 is equal to what? 50. These are the numbers which are the first 100 positive numbers, and these can be divisible by either 3 or 4 without any remainder. Answer option A. Clear? Next. How many numbers are from 3 to 60 are odd numbers that are exactly divisible by 5? Sir, very basic. 5 3 15, 5 4 20, but this cannot be even number. That means, sir, what is happening? 5 into 3, 5 into 5, 5 into 7, 5 into 9, 5 into 11, 5 into 13. This will be considered, but 5 13 is 65. So this cannot be my option. So what are my options? These are my options, which are between 3. 3. So this will be 5. 5 ones are 5. So one more added will be there. That means these will get me what? Odd numbers. How many odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer option D. Clear? Yes or no? Only odd numbers we are considering. Sorted? Next. 47 to the power 25 minus 1 is exactly divisible by what? Sir, this is a classic example of a to the power n minus b to the power n, where n is odd. A minus b. Sir, a minus b is equal to what? 47 minus 1, that is equal to 46. Sir, 46 is completely divisible by 23 because it is the multiple of 23. Yes or no? Yes. So the formula you need to remember, a to the power n, b to the power n is always divisible by what? A minus b. If n is even, it is divisible by a plus b. And a to the power n plus b to the power n is only divisible by a plus b when n is odd. This is the theory you need to remember. Okay, so this is the theory you need to remember. Next, find the remainder when 3 to the power 10 is divided by 7. See, this thing I can write 3 to the power 10 as 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 4 divided by 7. Now 3 to the power 6 is what? 3 to the power 7 minus 1 divided by 7. This is what? This is my Fermat's little theorem. That means P, that is a prime number, P minus 1, that is 6. 3 to the power 6 divided by P is equal to remainder 1. So this will get me what? Remainder 1. Multiply by 3 to the power 4 divided by 7. Sir, 3 to the power 4 means what? 3 to the power 4 means 81 divisible by 7. Sir, 7 here. Sir, 11 sevens are 77. So remainder is 4. Answer option A. If the sum of two number is 30, and the product is 50, then the sum of their reciprocals. Now what it is saying, sir, sum of numbers x plus y 30, product xy 50, sum of their reciprocals, that means 1 by x plus 1 by y. Sir, 1 by x plus y can be written as x plus y divided by xy. Sir, x plus y 30, xy 50, 0 0 cross out. Answer option A 3 by 5. Clear? Next. What is the unit digit in the following product? Sir, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So here 95 is there. Sir, 5 into 2 means 0. That means unit digit will be always 0. Next, very logical question. You need to remember this. Sir, it is saying calculate the total prime factors of the product of 16 to the power 7 into 27 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 9. See, sir, 16 to the power 7 can be written as 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 to the power 7 multiplied by 27 can be written as 3 to the power cube 3 cube to the power 6 and 5 to the power 9 as it is 4 into 7 means 28, 3 into 6 means 18 into 5 into 9. Yes or no? Yes, sir. That means, sir, how many factors of 2 here? 28. How many factors of 3 here? 18. How many factors of 5 here? 5. And 2, 3, 5 are what? Prime numbers. So what is the total? 28 plus 18 is equal to 46 plus 9 is equal to 55. Answer option C. Very basic question. When you are seeing it, you are feeling terrified. I just have to break down this whole number into prime numbers power and I can solve the whole thing. Clear? Next. Simplify the following. See, this sort of question I will not solve. This sort of question you can solve on it on your own. You just need to take care of the decimals. See, these are 3 decimal numbers. So here 2 decimal numbers. That means 2 0 will be gone. Only 1 decimal will be here. Here 2 decimal. Here 1 decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. So there should be, after decimal there should be 4 numbers. That's all. With this logic you can solve it. Next. Sir, 243 divided by 3 divided by 3. Very simple. You can do it. It is quite basic. 243 divided by 3, 81. 81 by 3, 27. 27 by 3, 9. 9 by 3, 3. Answer option B. This sort of question will be there as a simplification question. Next. Find the value of same thing, same logic. So this is also I'm giving you as a homework. Okay. So because I don't want to waste time on this, but I want you to understand that this sort of question will be there where you can't commit any silly mistakes. Okay. Next. The value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30, 29, so on. So what it is saying, 1 to 30, then 30 to 1. These are the same thing. Plus 31. Sir, 1 to 30 can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. Plus 31, same 1 to 30, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sir, this is 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. So here what is happening, sir? If I am taking 31 common, it is 15 plus 1 plus 15. Sir, 15 into 15, 30 plus 1, 31. That means 31 into 31. So 31 square is equal to 961. That is option C. Very basic question. Clear? Next. Solve the following. Easy homework. 4 into 4 plus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 square plus 3 into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. Then what is the answer? Sir, now someone can take all these things common and can answer it. Or someone can do what? Sir, it is 4 plus 3 into 4. So I take common 4. So it is 1 plus 3 plus 3 into 4 square plus 3 into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. Sir, this is what 4 into 4, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to 4 square plus 3 into 4 square. Again, I will take 4 square common. So it will be 1 plus 3, that is 4. So 4 square into 3 is equal to 4 square into 4 is equal to 4 cube. So this will be as it is now. 4 square common, 1 plus 3 multiplied by 3 into 4 cube plus 3 into 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. So on. Sir, 4 square into 4 is equal to what? 4 cube plus 3 into 4 cube. Here I will take what? Sir, 4 cube common, 1 plus 3 plus 3 to the power 4. Sorry, 3 into 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. Sir, here 4 cube into 4 is equal to 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 4 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. Sir, here if I say 4 to the power 4 common, it is 1 plus 3 between these two plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. So this will be what? 4 to the power 4 into 4 is equal to 4 to the power 5 plus 3 into 4 to the power 5. Here if I take 4 to the power 5 common, it will be 1 plus 3, that is 4 to the power 5 into 4, that is equal to 4 to the power 6. Here this is a printing mistake, it will be 4 to the power 6, that is option B. Clear? This is what it is. Or you can directly solve this whole thing and find the answer, or you can simplify this method. Clear? Next. That was an interesting question. Sir, 66666 multiplied by 4 times 9. Sir, what it has given? Sir, 4 unit digit, everything is clear. 10th digit, everything is clear. 100 digit, everything is clear. Now, problem is in thousands digits. Now see, you can't go and check all these things. So what you can do? Now understand this. You just have to simplify it. How? Sir, here I can write it as 6665 times multiplied by 10,000 minus 1. That means 66666 multiplied by 10,000. So this is 6, okay? Just a minute. Let me write it again, okay? So there are 5 times 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Minus 5 times 6, because it will be multiply here as well. Now you take out the answer. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 963, 963, 963. And this is 5. 5 minus 6, that means 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So this will be 5. This will be 6, 6, 6. Clear? Yes or no? So this will be my answer. So what is my answer? 666593334. That is option D. Clear? This is how you can solve it. And this sort of question should be answered this way. Okay? Next. Simplify the following. So what it is saying? 4 by 11 plus 1 to 1 by 16 into 24 into 75 square minus 55 square into 1 by 100. 4 by 11 into 1 to 1 by 16 multiplied by 24 into 75 square minus 55 square multiply by 1 by 100. That's it? Yes. 11, 11, 20, sorry, 121, 4, 4, 100 and 4, 4, 16, 4, 6, 24. So I can write, sir, 11 into 6 into a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? Yes. Multiply by 100. Yes, right. Sir, 11 into 6 into 75 plus 55 is equal to 130. Multiplied by 75 minus 55 is equal to 20. Multiplied by 100. Sir, 25 is 100. 5 2 is 10. 5 6 is 30. So answer will be 11 into 6, that is 66. Multiplied by 26. 6 6 36. That means unit digit 6. In all the option unit digit is 6. So I have to multiply. Sir, 66, 26. 36, 3 out here, 6 to 12, 6, 6, 36 plus 12, 48 plus 3, 51. That means last two digit 1, 6. Option D my answer. Done. Next. Solve it. 79 plus 37 minus 45 minus 1 minus 36 divided by 6 into 8 and all. Sir, BODMAS rule. First division. 36, 6, 6 multiplied by 8, 48. 1 minus 48 is equal to minus 47. Minus minus plus 45 plus 47 is equal to 92. 37 minus 92 is equal to what? Sir, is equal to 55. Sir, 55 will be minus here. Here it is 79. Sir, 79 minus 55 is equal to 24. Answer option B. Basic simplification. That's why I told you, go check out the Vedic math calculation video. It will help you understand how to approach a calculative question. Next, if 1 plus 2 plus x minus 0.12 minus 0.42 plus 0.94 is equal to 4, then what is the value of x? Sir, this is what? This is 3 plus x. Sir, this will be what? Sir, 94.94 plus 12 is equal to 1.06. Sir, 1.06 minus 4.2. So this is what? 1.06 minus 4.2. That is equal to what? Sir, 64. Simple. Sir, this is what? 0.64. Now 3 plus x minus 64 is equal to 4. So x is equal to what? 4 in 4 plus 0.64, that is 4.64 minus 3, that is equal to 1.64. Basic calculation, option B. Next. Sir, a plus b root 2 square is equal to 19 plus 6 root 2. Then a is equal to what? See, what I would suggest here, you check the options directly because the options are really small. Now, sir, this is 6 root 2. Here it is 6 root 2. Sir, 19 plus 6 root 2. Sir, this can be written as 19 is a square plus b square. 6 root 2 means 2 into 3 into root 2. This can be the possible answer. Yes. Now, sir, 3 square is 9. So if I take a is equal to 3, it won't get me the answer because a 3 square 9. So later part that should be 19 because a square plus b square is 19. So that is not possible. Sir, if I take 3 root 2 as my b square will be 3 square 9 into 2 18. So remaining is 1. So 18 plus 1 19. It is satisfying the condition. Also this can be written as 2 into 1 into 3 root 2, that is 2ab. So my a is equal to what? A. That is option D is the right answer. Clear? This is how you can answer the question directly. Next. Sir, 2 root 2 plus 7 divided by 2 root 2 minus 7 is equal to x plus y root 14. Now understand this. 2 root 2 minus 7 is here. 2 root 2 plus root 7 divided by 2 root 2 minus 7 root 7. Sir, if I multiply 2 root 2 plus root 7 over here and if I multiply over here, it will be square. Yes or no? Sir, 2 root 2 square is equal to 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So answer is equal to what? This is equal to 1. So answer is 2 root 2 plus root 7 square. Sir, 2 root 2 square is 8. 7 square is 7 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 2 root 7 root 14. Sir, 8 plus 7 15 plus 4 root 14. This is my answer and this is equal to what? X plus y root 14. So x is 15, y is 4. Answer option D. Clear? Next. Sir, 9 by 15 into 45 by 81 into 49 by 6. This has been given. Yes or no? Let me change the color so that I can directly solve it over there. Sir, 15 3s are 45. 9 9s are 81. 3 3 9. Sir, 24 by 5 divided by 16 by 5. Sir, this whole thing I can write it as 24 multiplied by 15 by 16. Yes or no? Yes, sir. That means, sir, I can directly write it as 5 3s are 15. 16 4 4s are 16. 4 6s are 24. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here in the denominator 3, here in the numerator 3, gone. So what is there? 6 by 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. That means what is remaining? 49 by 6 multiply by 16 by 7 minus 2, that is equal to 16 minus 14 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7 multiply by 3 by 2. 2 2 gone. 3 2s are 6 gone. 7 7 49 gone. Answer 7 by 2, option D. I can directly solve it over here. Clear? This is how you should solve the question. Next. Sir, 1 by x into 1 by x plus 1 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by x plus 3 is equal to what? See, this is quite basic question. How? You need to understand this. Sir, 1 plus 1 by x is what? Sir, 1 plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x. This is what? This is x plus 1 by x. Sir, 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 can also be written as x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. Same way, this can be written as x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3. Yes or no? Yes. So this can be written as x plus 1 by x multiplied by x plus 2 by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4 by x plus 3. X plus 3, x plus 3 gone. X plus 2, x plus 2 gone. X plus 1 gone. What is remaining, sir? X plus 4 by x. Answer option B. Clear? Option B is the right answer. This is how you will be solving this question. Sorted? Next. Sir, which of the following fraction is the largest one? Now see, you know what I have told you. You make the denominator equal, then you find whichever the numerator, higher numerator, it is the highest fraction. So I won't be solving this. I am simply giving you as a homework. Next. What is the difference between the biggest and small? Very easy. Here it is also easy to calculate the what? Fraction. So 2 by 3 is 66.67%. Sir, 3 by 4 is 75%. 4 by 5 is 80%. Sir, 5 by 6 is equal to, sir, 5 by 3 is equal to 83.33%. So what is the biggest? Sir, this is the biggest. What is the smallest? Sir, this is the smallest. So difference 5 minus 6 minus 2 by 3. Sir, LCM 6. This will be 5. 3 to 6 minus 4. That is equal to 1 by 6. Answer option B. Clear? Next. Sir, the fractions written in ascending order. Okay. So what it is saying? The fractions are written, if I have to change or ensure that these fractions are in ascending order, it will be what? Sir, 1 by 3 is 33.33%. Sir, 4 by 7 is, sir, 1 by 7 is 14.28%. So this is 56 point something. Sir, 2 by 5 is 40%. Yes or no? So ascending order means 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 4 by 7. This is the right answer. Next. So difference between the fractions 5 minutes of an hour and 20 seconds of an hour. Sir, 5 minutes of an hour means 5 by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this can be written as 1 by 12. Sir, 20 seconds of an hour, that means it should be in seconds. 20 seconds of an hour is equal to 20 by 3600. 1010 gone. 2 180 is a 360. Sir, answer 1 by 12 minus 1 by 80. Sir, here LCM will be 180. So 180, 12 is equal to 15. So 15 minus 1, that is 14 by 180. Sir, 14 by 180 can also be written as what? Sir, 2 7s are 14. 2 90s are 180. Is there any option like this? No. But sir, here one option is there. What is this option? 0.7 by 9. Sir, 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. So this can be written as 7 by 10 into 9, that is equal to 7 by 90. So the right answer is 0.7 by 9. Clear? That is option C. Okay. Next. Sir, what is the LCM of 98, 28, 112? See, silly question. You will find it out. You know how to find it. So this is a homework. But why I kept this? You need to understand that these sort of questions are being asked in RRB NTPC examination. Okay. So be prepared accordingly. Next. So this is an interesting question. It is saying LCM of 6, 9 and x is 72. Which of the given option can be possible value of x? That means their common LCM should be 72. Now see, if I take 6, 9, 18, their LCM will be 18 because 18 is also divisible by 6, also divisible by 9 and 18. Sir, if I take 12, it can be 6, 9, 12, their LCM will be 36 because 36 will be the least number that is completely divisible by all this. Sir, if I take 6, 9 and 36, all these number can divisible by 36. So this cannot be the answer. So what is option D? So option D is the right answer. Very basic. You do not need pen and paper for that. Next. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is when divisible by 2, 3, 5 leaves a remainder 1. That means what? I need to find the LCM of 2, 3, 5 first. Sir, all these are prime. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. That means 30. So my smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by all these and leaving remainder 1 is equal to 30 into k plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 30 smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1000. 33 is a 900. 91st. So it is 100. Sir, 33 is a 90. What is remaining? 10. That means 30 into 3, 990 is the highest 3-digit number that is completely divisible by all 2, 3, 5. Now, Next number that will be divisible by 235 is 990 plus 30. That is equal to 1020. But this number is completely divisible by this. But I need something. When I am dividing it, I will get a remainder 1. So I will be adding remainder 1 to this. So the number is equal to 1021. So what is my answer? Option B is my answer. Clear? Basic thing. Next. Find the smallest multiple of 14, which is when divided by 6, 8, 12, leaves a remainder 4, 6 and 10 respectively. Now, see, here options are smaller. You do not need to go and check everything else. See, 14, 70 here. Sir, 14 5s are 70. This is divisible. Sir, 14 40 not divisible by 14 because here it is saying smallest multiple of 14, which is when divisible by this. That means in all these option should be divisible by 14 first. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 14 3s are 42, so this is not divisible. Sir, here 36, 14 2s are 28, 5 6, 14 4s are 56. So this is also available. Now, sir, these are two options. I need to check it. Sir, smallest one 70. Sir, 70 divided by 6 is equal to what? Sir, 11 6 is 66. Remainder 4. Matching. Sir, 8 8 is 64. Remainder 6. Matching. Sir, 12 5 is 60. Remainder 10. That means 70 is my right answer. Clear? This is how you should approach the question. You do not need to find out, see sir, I got the difference 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 12 minus 10 is 2. That means these are all equal. I will take the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Then I will add 2. You do not need to do all these things. You can directly use your common sense over here and find the answer. Next. Least number which is on being divided by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves remainder of 1 but no remainder when divisible by 7. It is saying what? The number should be completely divisible by 7. Sir, here 315. Sir, 7 4s are 28, 3 5. 7 5s are 35. This is divisible. Sir, 7 4s are 28, 2 8. 7 4s are 28. This is divisible. Sir, 7 4s are 28, 2 1. 7 3s are 21. This is completely divisible. Sir, 7 4s are 28, 4 2. Sir, 7 6 are 42. This is also completely divisible. Now, among all this, I need to find what? I need to find the least number. Sir, among all this, what is the least one? 301. Sir, 301 divisible by 2, it will get me remainder 2. 301 divided by 3, it will get me remainder 3. Sir, 301 divisible by 4, it will get me remainder 1 because 75 into 4 is equal to 30. Same for 5, same for 6. That means the least number that is completely divisible by 7 and when it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will get me remainder 1. Clear? Basic question. Use your common sense. No need to use pen and paper over here. Next. What is the HCF? Basic homework. It is quite evident. Say 12 12s are 24, 12 30s are 36, 136, 12 4s are 48, 12 2s are 24. So here it can again this can be solved as 3 4s are 12, 3 10s are 30, 3 14 is equal to 42. Now sir, 12 there, 3 there. Sir, this can be further divisible. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 24. So 12 into 3, 36 into 72. That is my HCF. Basic. Next. Sir, what is the HCF? Sir, in terms of surds, HCF is the smallest power of everything. Sir, here smallest power of 2 is equal to 2 square. Sir, smallest power of 3 is equal to only 3. Sir, smallest power of 5 is equal to only 1 5. Sir, smallest power of 7 is equal to 7. That means 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 60 into 7 is equal to 420. Answer option C. Next. HCF of 51 and 85 is expressed in the form of 51m minus 85. Then what is the value of m? Sir, 51, 85. 17 3s are 51, 17 5s are 85. So what is the HCF? 17. Sir, 51 m minus 85 is equal to 17. Sir, I can write 51m is equal to 17 plus 85, that is equal to 102. Sir, 51 2 is 102. M value is equal to 2. Answer option D. Clear? Next. Sir, find the HCF of 3 to the power 345 minus 1 and 335 minus 1. So whenever you are asked about that a to the power m minus 1 and a to the power n minus 1, HCF of this, you will find a to the power HCF of mn minus 1. Clear? So this is the theory you need to remember. Sir, here 3 my a 45 35, so HCF of 45 and 35 minus 1. Sir, 45 35 HCF means 5, so this can be written as 3 to the power 5 minus 1. Sir, 3 to the power 5 minus 1 means what? Sir, 3 to the power 5 is 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 to the power 4 81, 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243 minus 1, that is 242. Answer option B. Clear? Basic. Next. See, that was a very good question, but this was simplest one. Sir, the greatest number that will divide 155, 260, 315 leaves the remainder 5, 10 and 15 respectively. Sir, the greatest number that will be divisible by means we are talking about the HCF. Sir, remainder 5, so it should be divisible 150. Sir, 260 minus 10. 250, 315 minus 10, 300. That means I need to find something which can divide all these things. Sir, 53 is a 150, 55 is a 250, 56 is a 300. Now 356, there is no what? There is no HCF of it. So the greatest number is equal to what? Option D, that is 50. Clear? Basic question, yes or no? Yes. Next. Find the largest number which when divides 12501615 gives remainder 4 and 5. Sir, 1250 minus 4 is equal to 1246. 1615 minus 5 is equal to 1610. I need to find what? I need to find a remainder to this. Sir, here I can say 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. 2 8 are 16, 0, 2 0 5. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, let's divide by 7. Sir, 7 8 are 56, 6 3, 7 9 are 63. Sir, 7 1 are 7, 1 0. Sir, 7 1 are 7, 3 5, 7 5 are 55. Now this cannot be further solved. Sir, 2 into 7 is 14. So what is the greatest number, largest number that can divide this 2 and gives a remainder 4 and 5? That is 14. Clear? Next. Find such greatest number which gives the same remainders in each case when dividing 270, 675, 100 and 1 to 15. This is very basic question I am giving you as a homework. Okay. Next. Sir, 50 pens, 80 pencils, 65 scales were distributed among some students and found that 5 out of each item were not distributed. Find the number of students. See, 5 out of each item not distributed means 45 pen distributed, 75 pencils distributed, 60 scales distributed. Yes or no? Yes. It is saying find the number of students. Sir, this means I need to find out a common number which can divide this equally. That means I need to find out the HCF of all this. Sir, HCF of all this is equal to what? 15. 15 3s are 45, 15 5s are 75, 15 4s are 60. So how many students are there? Because 15. Because 15 students are there, all these are distributed and 5 out of all these were remained undistributed. Okay. So remember these tricks. Next. See, this sort of question are asked in NTPC and this is quite common in NTPC. Now, Shiva has 24 chocolates, 36 biscuits and 60 ice creams to distribute to her classmates. She wants each of her classmates to get the same number of each thing. What is the maximum number of classmates in which she can distribute completely without saving a single thing? That means what? We are talking about something like an HCF. Okay. Sir, 24, 36, 60. Sir, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60. 12 is the HCF, so option C is my right answer. Next. LCM HCF of two numbers are 70 and 7. If one number is 35, sir, we know what? The formula HCF into LCM is equal to multiplication of both number. Yes or no? Yes. So here I can write 70 into 7 is equal to 35 into unknown number. 35 2s are 70. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So the other number is 14. Next. The traffic lights are at four different road crossing change after 15 second, 18 second, 27 second, 30 second. If they all change simultaneously at 6:10, then at what time they will again change? That means sir, it is talking about common multiple. LCM, sir, LCM of 15, 18, 27, 30 it is all about. Sir, this can be written as 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 10. Sir, again 3 5 as it is, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 10. Sir, again 5 1s are 5, 2 here, 3 5 2s are 10. Sir, again 2 1 1 3 1. So what is the LCM? 3 3s are 9 into 5 45 into 2 90 into 3 is equal to 270. 270 is what? Sir, 270 is seconds. Sir, this 270 second means what? 4 minute 30 second. That means they started at 16, so 4 minute 30 second after they will be again change their color simultaneously, that is at 6 14 30 second hours they will be completely simultaneously do the same thing. Clear? Next. Three different traffic signals change lights, same question. Homework. Next. Five bells commence tolling together, toll at interval of 3, 6, 12 and 15 and 18 seconds. They toll together at this time. Same question. So you take the LCM of 3, 6, 12, 15 and 18. So this can be written as 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So again 2 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 3s are 6. So this cannot be further solved. 3 2s are 6 to 12 into 60 into 3 180. So after 180 seconds, that means after 3 minutes. Sir, 3 minutes here is equal to what? Sir, 10 hours 1 minute 45 seconds. That is option B. Clear? Next. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 2. If 8 and 6 are subtracted from the first and second number respectively, the ratio becomes 8 by 5. 8 is to 5. So what is the number? See, it is saying these are the original numbers. One of them out of these options are original numbers. When I am taking out 8 and 6 from first and second, it will get me 8 and 5. Yes? Yes, sir. Sir, my only concern is those numbers should be in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 32 24. 8 4s are 32, 8 3s are 24. So this cannot be my right answer. 24 16. Sir, 24 means 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. Sir, 40 30. Sir, 10 4s are 40, 10 3s are 30. This is already in 3 is to 2. Clear. Now, sir, if I am taking out 8 out of it, 24 minus 8, 16. Sir, when I am taking out 16 minus x, it is 10. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. That means this is satisfying my all condition. So option B is the right answer. Clear? Next. X and Y are directly proportional. Y is equal to 92.5 when X is 37. Sir, X is directly proportional to Y. This can be written as X is equal to K into Y. Or I can write K is equal to X by Y. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here K is equal to what? 37 by 92.5. Sir, this can be written as 370 by 9 to 5. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 4 to 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here 37 2s are 74, 37 5 is equal to 185. So the value of K is equal to what? 25. Sir, if value of K is 2 by 5, my bad, 2 by 5. X is equal to 16. So Y is equal to what? Sir, Y is equal to X by K. Because X is equal to K by Y, so Y is equal to X by K. So that is 16 divided by 2 by 5. 2 8 is 16. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So answer of Y is equal to 40. Clear? Next. Sir, 10% of X is equal to 15% of Y. What is the, sir, 10, 15. So this can be written as 10 into X is equal to 15 into Y. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So the value of X is to Y is equal to 3 by 2. That is option C. Next. Sir, if 3 by 5 of a bottle is filled, what is the ratio of filled part to the empty part? Sir, total 5 part, 3 part is filled. So empty is 2 by 5. Yes or no? Yes. That means it is asking about the ratio of filled to empty. 3 by 5 is to 2 by 5. That is equal to 3 is to 2. Answer option C. Next. Sir, what is the subduplicate? Subduplicate means square root of this. Sir, square root of 225, square root of 154 is equal to, that is option D. Clear? Next. What is the compound ratio of 45 is to 75, 3 by 5 is to 51 by 68 is to 256 is to 81. Compound means you will multiply everything. 45 by 75 multiplied by 3 by 5 multiplied by 51 by 68 multiplied by 256 by 81. Clear? Yes. Sir, 5 nines are 45. 9 nines are 81. 3 threes are 9. Clear? Now, 3 sevens are 3 17s are 51. 17 fours are 68. 4 6s are 24. 4 4s are 16. So what is remaining? 64 by 75. Answer option A. Basic calculation. Next. What will be the third proportional of 16 and 40? Sir, third proportional means B square is equal to A into C. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, this can be written as 40 into 40 by 16 is my last option. Sir, this can be written as 4 4s are 16, 4 10s are 40, 4 10s are 40. So the value of C is equal to 100. Option B is the right answer. Next. Sir, fourth proportional 4 9 12. Sir, 4 9 12 fourth proportional is equal to 9 into 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Right answer. Next. Sir, in a box containing 1 rupees 50 paisa 25 paisa coins in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. The number of 50 paisa coins was 80. How much money was there? See, this is 1 rupee. This is 50 paisa. This is 25 paisa. Number of coins are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. Yes? Yes. Sir, it is saying the number of 50 paisa coin is 80. That means 2 part is equal to 80. So 1 part will be 40. 3 part will be 3 into 40. That is 120. Yes or no? Yes. So 40 coins of 1 rupees, 80 coins of 50 paisa, 120 coins of 250. 25 paisa is there. It is saying how much money? Sir, 40 into 1 rupees is equal to 40 rupees. Sir, 50 paisa into 80 coins is equal to 40 rupees plus 120 coins of 25 paisa is equal to, sir, 30 rupees. Sir, 40 plus 40, 80 plus 30 is equal to 110. So how much money is there? 110. Next. Sir, x is to y is equal to 4 by 5. Y is to z is equal to 5 is to 7. Z is to y is equal to 7 is to 9. So what is the value of x is to y? Very basic, sir. Sir, 4 is to 5. YZ 5 is to 7. That means XYZ 4, 5, 7. This is XYZ. Clear? Because 5 is in both sides. Now Z is equal to what? 7 is to 9. So XYZW can be written as 4 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9. So X is to Y is equal to 4 is to 9. That is answer D. Clear? Next. Sir, A by 4, B by 5 is equal to C by 6. So ABC is equal to 4, 5, 6. You can directly answer the question. 4 is to 5 is to 6. Next. Sir, 1 by 3 of A is equal to 3 by 4 of B is equal to 1 by 6 of C. So A is to B is to C is equal to 3 is to 3 by 4. Sorry. 4 by 3 is to 6. Yes or no? Yes. Now I have to complete it. Sir, if I multiply 3, it will be 3 3 is 9. 4 3 6 is 18. So what is the LCM? 9 is to 4 is to 18. Clear? Next. Sir, 15% of x is equal to 25% of y is equal to 50% of z. Sir, 15% means what? Sir, 3 by 20 x. Sir, 25 means 1 by 4 of y is equal to 1 by 2 of z. This is what it is. So x is to y is to z can be written as 20 by 3 is to 4 is to 2. Sir, if I multiply 3, it will be 20 is to 12 is to 6. This is my what? This is my answer. But this can be further solved. 2 10s are 20, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. So this is my final ratio, that is 10 is to 6 is to 3. Option B is the right answer. Next. Seats of for mathematics, physics, chemistry in a school are in the ratio of 7 is to 8 is to 9. There is a proposal to increase the seat by 30%, 40% and 50% respectively. What will be the ratio of increased seats? Sir, let's say math, physics, chemistry. Math seat was 700, physics seat 800, chemistry seat 900. Now this is increased by 30%. That means 210 increase. Now it is 910. Physics increased by 40%. Sir, 40 means 320. So this is 1120. Sir, chemistry increased by 50%. That means 450. That is equal to 135. 1305. Sir, 0, 0, 0, everything gone. So what is the ratio? 91 is to 112 is to 135. That is option. Basic question. Next. Three friends A, B, C divide 5,525 amongst them in such a way that if 50, 100 and 75 are removed from the sums of A, B, C received respectively, the share of their sums that would have been in the ratio of 11 is to 18 is to 24. How much did C initially received? So what it is saying, A here, B here, C here. Okay. Now 5,525 was given to all this, and whatever A got, if I remove 50, whatever B got, if I remove, minus, if I remove 100, whatever C got, if I remove 75, I will get what? The ratio in 11 is to 18 is to 24. That means 11x, 18x, 24x. If I add this, I will get how much? Sir, this is 11 plus 18 is equal to 29. 29 plus 24 is equal to 53x. This 53x plus 50, 100, 75 is equal to 5.25. That means 225, 50 plus 100, 105, 150 plus 75, 225 is equal to 5525. Or I can write 53x is equal to 5525 minus 225. That is equal to 5300. Sir, x is equal to what? 100. Sir, if x is equal to 100, 24x is equal to 2400. But initially he got 75 more. So what is he got? Sir, 2475 he got. Answer option D. Very basic. Clear? Next. Now this is an interesting question. It is saying the price of an article X increases by 40 paisa per year, Y increases by 25 paisa per year. If in the year 2002 X has 5 rupees 20 paisa, Y has 6 rupees 30 paisa, in which year cost of X will be 40 paisa more than Y? Sir, 2002 X has how much? 5 rupees 20 paisa. Y has how much? 6 rupees 30 paisa. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Here, sir, 2010, 13, 11, 12 are there. That means at least for 10 years, this thing has been gone. Sir, 10 year means 40 paisa increased 10 years. That is equal to 4 rupees. It is what? 9 rupees 20 paisa. Sir, 10 years 25 paisa means 2 rupees 50 paisa increase. That is equal to 8 rupees 80 paisa. Yes or no? I am calculating the base value. Sir, what is the difference? 40 paisa is the difference. Sir, that means it is satisfying my condition. So in which year it is crossing the value of X is crossing Y with 40 paisa difference? Sir, around 2012. My bad. 2012. Clear? Yes or no? Sorted. So this is how you can directly answer the question. Next. Consider a sequence of 7 consecutive numbers. If the average of first 5 numbers is equal to Z, then what is the average of last 3 numbers? Now understand. All are consecutive numbers. First 5 numbers can be written as, sir, Z minus 2, Z minus 1, Z, Z plus 1, Z plus 2. Yes or no? Yes. And this average will get me what? Z. This is the basic. Now, it is talking about what? Last 3 numbers. Sir, these are my first 5 numbers. So 6th number will be Z plus 3. 7th number will be Z plus 4. Yes or no? Now it is asking about these 3 numbers average. Sir, Z plus 2, Z plus 3, Z plus 4 is equal to 3Z plus 3 to 5 plus 4, 9 divided by 3. 3Z by 3 is equal to Z. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So what is the average? Z plus 3, option A. Calculation is not required. This is basic concept. Next. Mean of the squares of first 10 natural numbers. Sir, first thing is, first 10 natural numbers square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square can be written as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And we are talking about what the mean, that means 10 will be divided, 10 10 gone, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 11 into 7 is equal to 72, by 2 is the mean. That is answer, option D is the right answer. Clear? Next. Sir, find the average of first 20 multiples of 8. That means, sir, I will be finding multiples of 8 into 1 plus 8 into 2 plus 8 into 3 and so on till 8 into 20. So divided by 20 numbers, because I'm taking the average. So this can be written as 8 common, 1 plus 2 plus 20 divided by 20. So this can be written as 8 into, this sum is equal to 20 into 21 by 2 divided by 20. 20 20 gone, 2 4s are 8, 4 into 21 is equal to 84 is the answer. This is how you should answer this question. Next. The mean of first 8 odd natural number is what? Sir, very basic. First 8 odd natural numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 4, 4, 3, 7, 8. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, either I can add all this or I can directly use the formula. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. N square means how many natural numbers? 8. 8 square is equal to 64. Mean means divided by how many natural numbers? 8. Sir, 8 8s are 64. Answer, option D. Clear? Next. Sir, the mean of marks scored by 40 students is 68. Mean means average. Okay. Later, it was found that the score of 25 was misread as 45. Sir, 40 students, 68 was the mark. Total mark is equal to 0. 4 8 is a 32. 4 6 24 plus 3 27. Now it was said score was 25, but it was added as 45. That means 20 was more. So I have to take out 20. So what is the actual number? 2700 of 40 students. 0 0 crossed out. 4 6 are 24. 3 0. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. So what is the correct mean? Sir, it is 67.5. Now, either you can answer it this way or you can say, sir, the difference was 20 marks. This difference will be taken out from 40 students. Sir, this is equal to 0.5 number. So the average should be dropped by 0.5. You can answer it this way as well. Whichever way you find it easier to answer, you can find it, because at the end of the day, it is all about scoring the best way. Next. In a class, the average marks obtained by 35 students is 63. If 2 more students average 85 is added to it, then the new average will be what? Sir, 63 is the average. 85.5, 85.52 students came. That means what is more we got? Sir, here 22.5. Sir, here 22.5 we got. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, what happened? This 22.5 will be added to all the students. It should be distributed among all the students. So that means 45 is being distributed among 35 plus these 2 students. That is 37. Now this will get me what? Add on 63 plus more value. Yes or no? Yes. So this will be what? Sir, 37 ones are 37. So 63 plus 1 plus some value, that is equal to 64 point something. That is option A is the right answer. Clear? Yes or no? Basic logic we are using. We are not doing anything else. See, I am not calculating 35 into 63. Then I am adding 171 of both the students. I saw 63 was the average. These 2 students with this weight came. So what is the difference they bought? 22.5. 22.5. Now what is the total? Sir, 45. Now this 45 will be distributed among 35 plus these 2 students, that is 37. 35 students weight was 63 plus this was the additional one. So this is the answer. Next. Sir, the average marks obtained by James in math, science, history is 89. If the marks of language is added, the average decreased to 88.25. Sir, 89 was there. It dropped to 88.25. Sir, what is the difference? 0.75 marks. That means this 7.75 marks has been taken out from 3 subjects because average the language mark was less, that's why it was got dropped. So this is equal to 2.25. That means, sir, language mark plus 2.25 added from this got us 88.25. So language score is equal to 88.25 minus 2.25, that is equal to 86. Answer option C. Very logical, nothing new over here. Next, the average weight of P, Q and R is 58 kg. If the average weight of P and Q is 54 kg and Q and R is 48 kg, then what is the weight of Q? Sir, PQR, average weight 58 means P plus Q plus R is equal to 174. Sir, PQ, average weight is equal to 54. That means 104 total. So R weight is equal to 70. Sir, if R value is 70 and Q plus R total weight, average 48 means total 96. So Q value is equal to 96 minus 70, that is 26 kg. Answer option A. Simple. I do not need to complicate it further. Next. Sir, at present the average age of 20 students of class 10 is 15.5 years. The present age of class teacher is 47. What will be the average age of the students and the class teacher after 5 years? See, after 5 years, 5 year will be total added. So right now, let's say adding the teacher with them, what is it getting? Sir, 20 students plus 1 teacher. Sir, 15.5 was the average. Teacher brought 47. So what is the difference? Difference is equal to 0.5, that is equal to 16, that is equal to 31. So now, sir, this 31.5 will be distributed among 21 guys. Yes or no? This is the crux you need to understand. If you understand this, then everything is easier for you. Everything is easier for you. Now, sir, this calculation will be tough for me. So what I can do? Sir, 20 students, 15.5 average. So that means their average score is equal to, the average age, total age is equal to 310. Plus teacher says 47 added. So total is 357 of 21 guys. 21 ones are 21. 147. 21 sevens are 147. That means 17 is what? The average current age of students and teacher. Now after 5 years means 5 will be added to it. So average age will be 22. That is option B. Sometimes this way you can answer it easily. Sometimes in this way you can answer it easily. Whatever the way you find it easy to answer, go it that way. Next. Sir, the average of 6 numbers is 16. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 17. So what is happening? 6 numbers average 16 means 96 total. Now 5 numbers average is 17. That means 85 is the 5 numbers average. This is 6 numbers average. So 6 number is 96 minus 85 is equal to 11. Answer option D. Why I need to complicate with anything else? So sorted? Next. Sir, the mean of 21 observation is 42. Mean means average. Okay. If out of 21 given observation, the mean of first 11 is 50. The mean of last 11 is 30. Very basic homework. The mean of 11 number is 45, 44. Mean of 6 number is 39. Same question. Practice it. Okay. After 12 innings, the average score per inning of a batsman is 55. After 14 innings, the average score is increased to 60. So what happened? First 12 innings, average 55. Next 2 innings, average increased to 60. That means 5 increased. 5 increased in what? All these 12 matches. That means 60 added. 60 marks added. And in the last 2 matches, he scored at least 60 plus 60. That means in the last 2 matches, 13th and 14th, he scored what? 180. That's why the average increased. Yes or no? Yes. If batsman scored 20 runs more in 14th innings than the previous innings, that means 13 innings, whatever he scored, plus 20 is equal to 14th innings. Clear? Yes. Sir, I know 13th innings plus 14th innings is equal to 180. Yes or no? Yes. That means if my 13th innings is 100 and 14th innings is 100, 80 and 100, I will get a 80 number. So what is the score in 13th innings? Sir, 80. And 80 plus 20 is 100. That means answer option C. Logic, very basic logic. Nothing new over here. Next. In a football tournament, Real Madrid scored 33 goals and 22 goals scored against it. So Real Madrid scored 33, 22 was scored against it. Find the average number of goals done by scored player of Real Madrid. Sir, the basic thing I need to understand that in football, 11 players play. 33 goals done. So average goal 3 goals per player. That is option C. Next. Sir, the sum of 7 number is 1050. The average of first 3 number is 120. The fourth number is 126. Then find the average of last 3. Sir, 7 number, sum 1050. Average of first 3 number 120. Sir, 360 gone. Sir, what is remaining? 90, 690. Fourth number 126. It is gone. So this is 4, 826, 564. 564 is sum of last 3 numbers. 313. 26, 3 8s are 24, 24, 3 8s are 24. So what is the average? 188. Nothing over here. Next, what is the sum of solution of the roots of equation 2y square minus 6y minus 7? See, this is basic, but you need to understand how to solve such questions. Either you can find the root by minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a square root of it. Here you can find the both roots and you can add it. Or what you can do, sir, I know ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is my what? This is my quadratic equation. And in this quadratic equation, sum of roots is equal to what? Minus b by a. Sir, here this equation should be compared with 2y square minus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. Sir, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6. So sir, sum is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Answer option C. Clear? Basic. Next. Sir, 6y square minus 13y plus 6. What is the product of roots? Sir, as we know, the product of roots, if an equation is x square plus by plus c is equal to 0, product of roots is equal to c by a. Sir, here equation is 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Sir, 6c, 6a, c by a is equal to 1, option A. Clear? Next. If the roots of equation is this is 2x square, okay? 2x square minus 3x plus a is equal to 0. And the roots are in the ratio of 1:2. Then find the value of a. Sir, here sum of roots will be a by b, that is minus b by a, that is minus plus. So sum of roots, let's say roots are alpha plus beta, that is equal to 3 by 2. Sir, multiplication of roots, alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is a by 2. Yes or no? Yes. But sir, we know that ratio is equal to 1:2. That means 1 plus 2, 3x is equal to 3 by 2. So the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. Sir, alpha into beta means what? 1x into 2x, that is 2x square, that is 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to a by 2. Or I can write 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to a by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2 crossed out. So the value of a is equal to 1. Answer option B. Next. Sir, what is the nature of the roots? 3x square. This is 3x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. So whenever you are encountering with quadratic equation and it is all about nature of, what it is saying? Nature of roots. That means you will be talking about discriminants. Discriminants mean b square minus 4ac. So this is the discriminant. Okay. So what is the formula for it? Let me tell you. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then these are equal and rational. Roots are equal and rational. If b square minus, if it is equal to 0, my bad. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real numbers and distinct numbers. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are imaginary and distinct. Sir, if b square minus 4ac, b is what? 6. So 6 square minus 4 into a into c minus 5. That means 6 square 36 minus plus 4 3 12 plus 5 16. That is equal to 96. Is greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. That is option next. So the equation whose root are minus 2 and 3. what it will be. So remember this, an equation can always be written as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is 0. Alpha and beta are the roots. Okay, so here what is happening, sir? X square minus 2 plus 3 x minus 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. Sir, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Answer option B. Clear? Very basic thing. We do not have to do anything else over here. Next. Now this is an interesting question. It is saying x fourth plus minus 6x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x to the power 6 minus 1 by x to the power 6 minus 3 into x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the 4. Clear? Sir, here x fourth minus 6x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Sir, if I divide it by x square, it will be x square minus 6 minus 1 by x square is equal to 0, or I can write x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 6. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, if x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 6, now here it is what? x6 minus 1 by x6. That can be written as x square cube minus 1 by x square cube. Yes or no? So a cube minus b cube is equal to k cube plus 3k, 3 into x. Okay. That is 6 cube is equal to 216 plus 18. That is equal to 224. Clear? Sorry, 234. Clear? Yes. Sir, x fourth plus 1 by x fourth, that can be written as x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square. Or sir, this can be written as a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square whole square minus 2 into plus 2 into ab. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6. That is 36 square plus 2. Sorry, 6 square 36 plus 2, that is 38. Sir, 234 minus 38. But 3 will be multiplied here. So this can be written as 236 minus 3 into 38. That is equal to 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 90, 114. Sir, this is equal to 221. So this is 234. My bad. So this is 120. Answer option C. Clear? Next. Sir, y plus z is equal to 8. Yz is equal to 6. Then what is the value of y minus z square? Sir, y minus z square can be written as y plus z whole square minus 4yz. Sir, y plus z square is equal to 64. Minus 4 into 6, 24. That is equal to 40. Answer option C. Next. Sir, if x into x plus y plus z is equal to 30, y into x plus y plus z is equal to 64, z into x plus y plus z is equal to 50, then find the value of 2 into x plus y plus z, where x plus y plus z is greater than 60. Sir, here it can be written as x into x square plus xy plus yz is equal to 30. Here it can be written as y square plus xy plus yz is equal to 64. Sir, here it can be written as z square plus xz plus zy is equal to 50. Sir, if I add it, I will get what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy yz 2 into yz plus 2zx is equal to 36, 30, 64, 94 plus 50, that is 144. Sir, this is formula of what? X plus y plus z whole square, which is equal to 144. So x plus y plus z will be square root of 144. That is equal to 12. But it is asking about what? 2 into x plus y plus z. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Answer option C. Clear? Next. Sir, x plus 2y into 2x minus y. So let's solve it. X into 2x is equal to 2x square. X into y is equal to minus xy. 2x plus 2y is equal to plus 4xy. Plus 2y minus y is equal to minus 2y square. So this can be written as 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square. That is answer option C. B. Clear? Next. Sir, x square plus 1 by 16x square is equal to 19 by 2. Then find the value of 2x minus 1 by 2x. Sir, in this expression, x square plus 1 by 16x square is equal to 19 by 2. Sir, if I multiply 4 in both sides, what will happen? Sir, it will be 4x square plus 1 by 4x square is equal to 2 2s are 4. that is 9 into 2 38. Sir, 4x square plus 1 by 4x square is this much. Sir, this can be also written as 2x minus 1 by 2x whole square plus 2 into AB. Yes or no? Yes. So that is equal to 38, or I can write 2x minus 1 by 2x whole square is equal to 38 minus 2 36. So this square is 36. So 2x minus 1 by 2x will be square root of 36, that is equal to 6. Answer option A. Clear? This is how you can directly solve it. Next, sir, one root of the equation, that is 2x square minus 8x minus m is equal to 0 is 5 by 2. The other root of the equation and the value of m are respectively what? Sir, we know sum of roots, let's say alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a, that is minus 8 by 2, that is 4. Sir, alpha is equal to what? 5 by 2. Beta unknown, that is equal to 4. So beta is equal to 4 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. Clear? Yes. So other root is 3 by 2. In all these options, only C is the right answer. So C is the right answer. Next. Sir, the initial profit percentage on the sale of an item was 74%. If the cost price of the item went up by 50%, but the selling price remained the same, what would be the new profit percentage? Sir, initial profit percentage on the sale of item is 74%. That means cost price 100, sales price 174. Cost price of item went by 50%. Now new cost price is 150, but selling price remained same, 174. Profit 24 on 150, 100%. Sir, 53 is 100, 50 2 is 200, 3 8 is 24, 8 into 2 is equal to 16%. Answer option B. Next, the selling price of 9 article is equal to cost price of 15 article. So what is happening, sir? 6 articles gain on 15 articles price 100. Sir, 5 3 is 15, 5 20 is 100, 3 2 is 6. So total profit is equal to 40%. Clear? Next. Sir, the selling of 33 meters cloth, Rani's profit is equal to selling price of 11 meter cloth. So what is her gain percentage? Sir, sale 33 meter cloth, total profit 11 meter cloth, cost price 33 minus 11 22. So profit percentage 11 by 22 into 100. 1 by 2 into 100 is equal to 50%. So gain is equal to what? 50%. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next, 100 question. Where now? Very soon we'll complete the whole lecture. When a bicycle manufacturer reduced the selling price by 50%, the number of bicycles sold radically increased by 700%. Initially, the manufacturer was getting profit of 140%. What is the new profit? Sir, let's say the cost price was 100 previously. Previously, the selling price was 140% because initially he was getting this much profit. That means 240. Now, he dropped it to 50%. That means he is now selling it at 120. Cost price as it is. Now, what happened? The sales is increased by 700%. Let's say here we used to sell 100 bicycles. Now we are increased by 700% means now we are selling 800 bikes. So total earning is equal to what? 96,000 here. Here total earning is what? 24,000. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 800 bikes, cost price is equal to what? 80,000. Profit total sales 96,000. Total profit is equal to 16,000 over 80,000 multiplied by 100. Sir, 0 0 crossed out. 16 5 is 8. 5 20 is 20%. Option C is the right answer. See, you do not need a tricks to remember over here. You do not need an unnecessary formula to remember over here. Basic concept you will use. Answer question within 30 seconds. Next. Babu purchased a car 3 lakh, bike for his son 1 lakh. He sold the car at 10% profit, bike at the loss of 20% profit. What is the net gain? Sir, 3 lakh 10% profit, 30,000 profit. Sir, bike 1 lakh 20% loss, minus 20,000. Sir, total transaction gain 10,000. Sir, 10,000 gain on what? Total cost 4 lakh. 5040 crossed out. So 1 by 40 into 100, 10 crossed out. So profit percentage is 2.5%. Option D answer. Next. Sir, a retailer marks all his good at 50% above the cost price. Then thinking that he will still make 25% profit, offers a discount of 25% on marked price. What is his exact profit? Sir, 100 cost price, marked price 150. Sir, he is giving 25% discount. The discount after the discount, the sales price is 150 into 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the profit percentage? Sir, this is 450 by 4. That is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 100 cost price, sales price 112.5. So profit percentage 12.50. Next. The difference between 12% gain and 4% loss on a sale of item is 28. See, 4% gain means 112. 12% gain means 112. 4% loss is 96. What is the difference? Sir, difference is equal to 16. Sir, this 16 part is equal to 28. So one part is equal to 28 by 16. 100 part is equal to 28 by 16 into 100. Sir, 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are 100. 25 into 7 is equal to 175. So what is the cost price? 175. Next. A shopkeeper sells an article at 20% profit. If he had bought the article at 10% less and sold it at 18 rupees more than the previous selling price, he would have made a profit of 40%. So if cost price is 100, sales price is 120. Okay, let's say 100x, 120x. Now he bought it at 10% less, that means 90x, and he sold it to 18 rupees more. Okay, so what is the profit percentage? So he made a profit of 40%. Now 40% profit, that means if this is 5, this is 7. Yes or no? Sir, this is 5 means 18x, one part. 7 part is equal to 18 into 7, that is equal to 126x. Sir, 126x is equal to this. That means 126x is equal to 120x plus 8. So difference 6s is equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 by 6. That is 3. Sir, if x is 3, cost price is 100 into x. That means 100 into 3. That is equal to 300. Answer option C. Clear? Next. Arvind bought an article for X rupees. He sold it to Biru at a loss of 15%. Biru spent 126 on its transportation and sold it to Minu at a profit of 25%. If Minu bought it for 1475, then find the value of X. Sir, Arvind X rupees bought, sold it to Biru at 18 point. This is Arvind. Sold it to Biru at 15% loss. So Biru got it for 0.85x. Sir, Biru spent 126 on the transportation and sold it to Minu at a 25% profit. That means this was his cost price. 25% profit means at 5 by 4, which is equal to Minu bought it for 1475. This is what it has given. Yes, sir. Sir, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25. Sir, I can write 0.85x plus 126 is equal to 4 into this much. 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36 plus 2 8 38, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 1180. Or I can write 0.85x is equal to 1180 minus 126, that is equal to 1054. Sir, 0.85 can also be written as 17 by 20x is equal to 1054. Sir, 17 6 are 102, 3 4, 17 2s are 34. So the value of x is equal to 62 into 20, that is equal to 0 4 12. So 1240 is the cost price. Clear? Next. Sir, Anupama sold a book at 10% profit. If he would have sold the book for 20 more, her profit percentage would have been 15%. Now 5% profit increased because of 20 rupees. Okay, 5% profit is equal to 20 rupees. That means x is equal to 20 by 5 into 100. That is equal to 400. Cost price 400. Next. By selling an item, Madan earned profit equal to 1 by 4th of the cost price. If he would have sold it for 375, what is its cost price? Let's say the cost price was 4, profit 1, sales price 5. Yes or no? Yes. If he would have sold it for 375, then what was the cost price? That means selling price is 375. So 5 part is 375. 1 part is equal to 375 by 5. 5 7 is 35. 5 5 is 25. 4 part cost price is equal to 75 into 4 is equal to 300. Answer option C. Next. By selling an article for 1785, a dealer lose 15%. At what price should she sell the article to gain 15%? Now, sir, 15% loss means what? He sold it at 85 when it bought it at 100 rupees, right? That means the ratio was 17 is to 20. Sir, 17 is the selling price. That is equal to 1785. So 1 part is equal to 1785 by 17. 17 1 is 17. 0 17 5 is 85. So 20 part is equal to what? 105 into 20. That is equal to 0 0 1 2. So this is the what? Cost price. Now he wants to sell it at 15% gain. That means the cost price should be 2100 into 115 by 100. Sir, 0 0 crossed out. 115 into 21 is more than 2200. That is equal to 2415. Simple, basic logic. That's what we are doing. Next. The cost price of 5 kg of wheat and 10 kg of lentil were at 70 and 80 per kg respectively. On selling, he gained 10% profit on wheat and 20% profit on lentil. What is the total selling price of all items? Sir, what happened? 5 kg lentil, 70 rupees. Wheat, 350 was the cost price. Sir, lentil 10 kg, 80 rupees, 800. Sir, gained 10% on wheat. That means it sold at 350 plus 35. Sir, 20% gain over here. That means 800 plus 20%, that is 160. What is the total selling price? Sir, 350 into 35, you can add it this way. Sir, 385, 960, that is equal to 5, 864. 1 out here. Sir, before I proceed further, my last 2 digit is 45. Answer option B. Next. Sir, a person bought articles A and B for total of 2312. He sold A at a loss of 16% and B at a gain of 20%. The selling price of A and B were the same. What is the difference between the cost price of A and B? Sir, bought 2 article of total this much. So let's say 2312. One was at X, another one was 2312 minus X. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, one at a loss of 16%. That means let's say this was sold at 0.84x and this was sold at 20% gain. That means 6 by 5 of 2312 minus x, and this total thing is equal. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, 84x can also be written as 84 by 100. That is equal to 21 by 25. Sir, 5 5s are 25, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So I can write 7x is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10 multiplied by 2312 minus x. So 10x will come to this side, that is 17x, which is equal to 23120. 17 1s are 17, 6 1, 17 3s are 51 102, 17 6 1020. So if x is equal to 0, the other product's price will be 2312 minus 1360. Sir, 2 2 11 minus 6 5 2 3 9. So the other product is 951, one product is 1360. So 1360 minus 952 is equal to 084. So 408 is the difference between these products. Very basic. Clear? Next. Sir, a businessman sold 2 flats for 8,25,000. On one he gains 9%, while on other he loses 9%. Then how much his gain percent or loss percent in the whole transaction? Sir, 9% gain, 9% loss, minus 9 into 9, 81 by 100. 9 gone, that is equal to minus 0.81%. That is the loss. Next. A shopkeeper sold 2 toys for 990 each. One on first toy he gained 10%, on the second toy he lost 10%. Sir, 10% gain, 10% loss, minus 100 by 100. That means 1% loss. Answer option C. Direct formula based question. Next. Sir, a vendor sells 15 lemons for 3 rupees, gaining 60%. How many did he buy for 1 rupees? Sir, 15 lemons, 3 rupees. Okay. Sir, this is equal to 60% gains. That means this is equal to 8 by 5. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 8 part is equal to 3. So 1 part is equal to 3 by 8. 5 part is equal to 3 by 8 into 5. That is equal to 15 by 8. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 15 by 8 is for 15 lemons. 15 by 8 is for 15 lemons. So with 15 by 8 rupees, I can buy 15 lemons. So for 1 rupees, I can buy 15 by 15 by 8. That is equal to 8 lemons. So in 1 rupees, how many lemons I can buy? 8 lemons. Clear? I'm not complicating anything. Simply writing everything. Next. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his good at cost price but uses a false weight, thus gains 20%. For a kilogram, he uses a weight of what? Sir, let's say for 1000 gram, his cost price was 1000 rupees. Yes or no? Yes. But he says he was using false weight and whatever he sold it, he gained what? 20%. Let's say this price that he is getting for selling mistakenly 1000 rupees is what? 6 by 5, because 6 part is 1000. This is the gain price. So 1000 by 6 multiply by 5 will get me what? My cost price. That means 5000 by 6, or I can write 6 8s are 48, 2063s are 38, 2063s are 38, 633 gram. So what is the cost price? 833.33. That is equal to the weight of the goods, because each good is sold at the cost price, that is 1 rupees per gram. So what is the gram? 833.33 gram. Clear? Basic. Next. Sabia purchased 240 cups for shop at 8 rupees. During transportation, 24 cups got damaged. She sold the remaining cups at 12 rupees each. Find the overall percentage, profit percentage. Sir, 240 cups, 8 rupees. Sir, total cost 0, 32, 1920. 24 cups gone. Sir, how many cups are there? 216 cups are there. Sold for 12 rupees. That is equal to what? 216 into 12. Then you will find the difference. Yes or no? Yes. Or what you can do? Sir, 4 rupees gain. This was the cost price. 4 rupees gain on 216. That is 216 into 4 is equal to 864. This is my gain. Yes or no? Yes. This is my cost price. So 864 profit on 1920 cost price. Then it will get me wrong answer. Why? Sir, I am only considering sales of 216 items. What about the recovery of 24 damaged? Sir, 24 damaged item for 8 rupees. Yes or no? That means the total cost is equal to 192. Now this 192 should be taken out of this. Then only I will get the right profit percentage, profit amount. So 864 minus 192 is equal to 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 9, 16 minus 9, 17, 7 minus 1, 6. That means my actual profit is 672 on this whole transaction divided by 1920 cost price multiply by 100. Sir, 0, 0 crossed out. 192. Sir, 12 ones are 12. 7 to 12 6 are 72. 12 5s are 60. 12 6 are 72. 4 4s are 16. 4 14s are 56. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 40. 70 by 2 is equal to 35. So what is my profit percentage? 35%. Clear? Next. When 90 chocolates are sold at 160, then a chocolate trader suffers a loss of 20%. In order to earn a profit of 20%, how many chocolates should be sold at 96? Sir, 90 chocolates are sold at 160. Loss is equal to 2 by 5. 20%. That means 4 by 5. So 4 is my selling price is equal to 160. So cost price is equal to 5 into 40. That is equal to 200. So 90 chocolates cost price is 200. Now he wants to gain a profit percentage of 20%. That means profit is equal to 20%. That is equal to 6 by 5. So that is equal to 240. Yes or no? Yes. So now each chocolate's sales price is equal to what? 240 by 9, that is equal 90. 0 0 crossed out. 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. That means each chocolate sales price is 8 by 3. What is the total sale? 96. So number of chocolates is equal to 96 by 8 by 3. 12 8s are 96. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So how many chocolates sold? 36 chocolates sold. Very simple. Next, a shopkeeper marks his goaded price so that the following, after allowing a discount of 20%, he still makes a profit of 8%. Find the marked price of an article which cost him 500 rupees. Now, sir, what happened? Cost price here 500. Sir, sales price with profit percentage 8% is equal to 580. 540. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, after allowing discount of 20% on marked price, that means if X is the marked price, 540 is equal to what? 4 by 5x. Sir, 4 1s are 4, 1 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 0, 4 5s are 20. So the value of X is equal to 135 into 5, that is equal to 675. Answer is equal to option D. Next, sir, find the discount and the percentage profit are both 20%. Sir, if the discount and percentage profit are 20%, then by what percentage is the marked price above cost price? So let's say 100 was the cost price. Sales price is 120 and this 120 is equal to what with 20% discount? That means 4 by 5x is equal to 120. X is equal to 330 into 5, that is 150. So marked price is what? 150. So how much it is increased by 50%? That is option A correct. Clear? Next. If the selling price of an article is 3 times the discount offered, if the percentage of discount is equal to the percentage of the profit, find the ratio of discount offered to the cost price. Sir, let's say discount amount is equal to X. Okay. So selling price is equal to 3 times discount, that is 3x. Clear? So marked price is equal to discount into selling price, that is equal to 4x. Sorted? Yes. Sir, it is saying if the percentage of discount is equal to the percentage of profit. Sir, percentage of discount means what? X by 4x, that is equal to 25%. That means the profit should be 25%. That means 5 by 4 is equal to 3x. 5 6 30. So I can write cost price is equal to 2.4x. Yes or no? This is 0.6. So sir, cost price is 2.4x. Discount is x. So the ratio is equal to x by 2.4x. X gone. So this is 10 by 24. 5 2s are 10. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. 2 12s are 24. So what is the ratio? 5 is to 12. Basic question. Simple logic. Next. Sir, a dealer marks his good at 20% above the cost price, then allows a discount in it, makes a profit of 80%. Sir, 100 cost price, sales price unknown, marked price was 120. Now, what happened? He made a profit of 8% now. So what is the sales price? 108. So discount offered is 120 minus 8. 108, that is equal to 12 upon 120. 100, that is 10% discount. So discount offered by dealer is equal to 10%. This sort of question will be there. So do not panic. Do not make silly mistakes over these questions. Next. A shopkeeper buys a stereo system of marked 2000 at successive discount of 10%, 15% respectively. He spent 70 on the packaging and sold it for 2000. Find the percentage of profit of the shopkeeper. 2000 was the marked price. On it, 10% discount given. That means 9 by 10 happened. Then 15% discount given. That means 17 by 20 happened. Yes or no? This becomes what? This becomes my cost price for the shopkeeper. Now sir, 10 10 gone, 10 10 gone, 2 1 1. So it is equal to 17 to 9, that is equal to 1530. This is what? This is my cost price. On this he spent 17 rupees. So now his total cost price becomes 1600 and he sold it at 2000 rupees. So profit is equal to 400 rupees upon 1600 rupees, that is 1 by 4 is equal to 25% profit. So I think here it should be a percentage. Okay, so there is a typing error, it should be percentage amount. So 25% is the profit of the shopkeeper. Next, A can do a piece of work in 8 days, B can do it in 10 days, C can do it in 20, 30 days, 20 days. In how many days they will do the work? Sir, A, B, C, 8, 10, 20. Sir, basically we have to find out the LCM of 8, 10 and 20. Sir, 8, 10 and 20 LCM is equal to what? Sir, 80. So this is 10 efficiency, this is 8 efficiency, this is 4 efficiency. Total efficiency is equal to 22, 80 work with 22 efficiency, which is equal to what? Sir, 22 4. Sir, 2 4s are 80, 2 11s are. So this will be 11 3s are 33, 7 by 11 the answer. So I think there is a typing error. I'm pretty sure about it. It should be, this option should have been 3 7 by 11. It is the typing error. Nothing to worry about. Okay. So the answer is option A. Next, A and B together can do a piece of work in 30 days. Together with C, they can complete the same work in 24 days. In how many days C can alone complete the work? Sir, A plus B take 30 days. A plus B plus C take 24 days. Sir, their LCM is equal to what? Sir, their LCM is equal to 120. 120 by 30 is equal to 40. 120 by 24 is equal to 5. Sir, A plus B efficiency is 4. A plus B plus C efficiency is 5. So C's efficiency is 1. If C's efficiency is 1 and 120 is the total work, so C can alone complete the same work in 120 days. Basic. Next, A and B together can finish a job in 10 days. B, C together finish at 15 days. A, C can finish the same work in 18 days. Sir, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. 10 days, 15 days, 18 days. Sir, their LCM is equal to 180. So 18 efficiency, 12 efficiency, 10 efficiency. Sir, 2 times A plus B plus C is equal to what? 18, 20, 12, 30 plus 10, 40. So 2 times ABC efficiency is 40. So A plus B plus C's total efficiency is equal to 20. Yes or no? But out of 20, AB's efficiency is 8. So C's efficiency is equal to what? 2. Sir, if C's efficiency is 2, A efficiency is, because C plus A is 10, so A efficiency is 8. If sir A efficiency is 8, B efficiency is equal to what? 10. So it is saying in how many days A, B, C can finish the work? Sir, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 8, 20. Total work 180, 0 0 crossed out, 2 9s 18. Sir, in 9 days they can complete the whole work. Option C is the right answer. Next, PQ can reap a field in 9 days. Q warrant. Sir, same question. You should try the same. Next, sir, 12 men can build a wall in 24.5 days. How many men would be build such 5 walls? Sir, 12 men, 24.5 days. M D H by W, 1 wall. Sir, number of men unknown, 49 days, 5 wall they will be completing. Sir, let's solve it. Sir, 7 3s are 21. Sir, let's decimal, let's keep it, remove the decimal. 7 3s are 21, 3 5, 7 3s are 35. Sir, 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So X is equal to what? 6 into 5, that is 30. So how many people are required? 30 people are required to complete 5 walls in 49 days. Clear? Next. A group of men decided to complete a work in 10 days, but 5 of them remained absent. If the rest of the group completed the work in 12 days, find the original number of men. Sir, X men was there. They used to complete in 10 days. But actually, X minus 5 people worked for 12 days. Clear? Sir, I can write 10x, this is 12x minus 60. So 12x minus 10x is equal to 2x, which is equal to 60. So x is equal to 30. So original number of men is equal to what? 30. Clear? Next. Sir, 10 men can complete a task in 18 days. After 6 days, 5 more men join. In how many days the total work will be gone? Sir, 10 men, 18 days. So total work is equal to 180. For 6 days, 10 men work. So total work gone in 6 days is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. This is the remaining work. Sir, in this remaining work, total 5 more men joined. That means 15 men will be working. 15, 8 is equal to 120. So in how many days the remaining work will be completed? In 8 days, the remaining work will be completed. Next. 30 men can do a work in 20 days. After 6 days, how many people should leave this job so that the entire work is done in 26 days? Sir, 30 men, 20 days. That means total work 600. Okay. Now, first 6 days, 30 men work. So 180 days are 180 work is gone. So what is the remaining work? So remaining work is 420. But this 420 should be completed in the next 20 days because the total work is done in 26 days. Out of this 6 days is gone. So what is the remaining days? 20. So 20, 0, 0 crossed out. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. That means how many men are working? 20 and 1 men are working. Previously 30 men were working. Now 21 working. So how many men left? Sir, 9 men left. Option A is the right answer. Clear? Next. A and B can complete a work in 40 days and 60 days respectively. They work together for some days and B leaves the job. If A completed the rest of the work in 10 days, for how many days B worked? Sir, A here, B here. 40, 60 days. LCM 120. 3 efficiency of B, A, 2 efficiency of B. Sir, for the last 10 days, who worked? A worked. Sir, A for 10 days work, how much work completed? 30 work completed out of 120. So remaining work 90 was done by both A and B. That means 3 plus 2 5. That is equal to in 18 days. Sorry, 18 days A and B have completed the work. So for how many days B worked? Sir, B worked for 18 days. Simple logic. Next. Sir, a cleaning company employs 42 sweepers to clean a building in 25 days. 10 days later, 12 sweepers left the job. If the cleaning work is finished in 10 days, how many more sweepers need to be hired? Sir, what happened? 42 sweepers completing in 25 days. This was the total work. Sir, 10 days later, 12 sweepers left. That means 42 sweepers worked for 10 days. Okay. Now, 10 sweepers are gone. Rest work should be completed in 10 days. That is what it is saying. Sir, 42 into 25 is equal to what? Sir, 42 into 20 is equal to 840 plus 42 into 5 is equal to 210. That is equal to 1050. Sir, out of 1050, 420 work is done. That means what is remaining? Sir, 630. 630 work in 10 days. That means how many labor required? 63. But out of 63, how many labors are with us? Sir, 42 labor was there, 12 gone. 30 labors are there. So how many more labors required? 63 minus 33. 30 is equal to 33. So if we hire 33 labors more, then the work will be completed. Next. A can do a work in 10 days, B in 15 days, C in 20 days. A, B worked together for 4 days, then C replaced A. So A, B, C. A takes 10 days, B takes 15 days, C takes 20 days. Sir, LCM 60. Efficiency of A 6, B 4, C 3. Sir, A, B works for 4 days. Sir, 6 plus 4, 10. For 4 days equal to 40 work done. Now, C is replacing A. That means 3 plus 4, 7 work will be done. Sir, out of 60, 40 is gone. How much work is there? 20 work is there. So, 20 by 7 will be the number of days to complete it. But it is to complete the remaining work. With this, 4 days should be added because it is asking about entire work done in how many days? So 20 by 7 plus 4 is equal to 20 plus 28 by 7. That is 48 by 7 days. Answer option B. Clear? Next. Sir, 12 skilled, 14 semi-skilled and 10 unskilled laborers completed a job for 13,189. If their individual wages in the ratio is 9 is to 5 is to 4, then the total money earned by 10 unskilled laborers. Sir, 12 labor skilled, semi-skilled 14 labor, 10 unskilled labor 10. Ratio wage 9 is to 5 is to 4. So total wage they are taking 12 into 9, that is 108x, 14 into 5 70x, 10 into 4 40x. And if I add this, I will get how much? 13,189. Sir, 8, 7 for 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. Sir, 218x is equal to 13189. Sir, this can be further solved as x is equal to 13189 by 218. Sir, for 10 unskilled labor, it is 10 into 4, that is 40x. So 40 will be multiplied here. Clear? Yes, sir. Now let's solve it. Sir, here it is 2109. This is 220. Sir, 109 into 1 is equal to 109. So what is remaining? Sir, 2, this is 13189. Okay. So what is remaining? 228. Sir, 228 is equal to what? 109 into 2 is equal to 218. So what is remaining? 109. Sir, 109 is equal to what? 109, 109. So x is equal to 1 to 1 into 20. X means the price of unskilled labor. 1 to 1 into 20, that is equal to 2420. So how much they earned? Sir, 2420 amount they earned. Clear? Next. A father can complete a task in 8 days while the son can do it 7 days. If they work on alternate days, with father starting, then in how many days the task will be completed? Sir, father, son, 8 days, 7 days. Sir, 56 is the LCM. Father's efficiency 7, son's efficiency 8. The alternate day they are working. So 7, 8, 15 work. Then again 7, 8, 15, 30 were gone. 7, 8, 45 were gone. 7, 52 were gone. So how many days taken? 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 7 days gone. 52 were gone. Sir, 52 were gone. How many remaining? 4 part. In next day, that is 8 efficiency. That means in 1 by 2 days. So 7 plus 1 by 2 days will take to complete the whole work. There is a typing error. This will be 7 1 by 2 days. Okay. So A is the right answer. So 7 1 by 2 days is required to complete the whole task. Clear? Next. A student walks from his house at 2.5 km per hour, reaches his school 6 minutes after the school time. Next day, he increases his speed by 1 km per hour and he reaches the school 6 minutes before the school time. How far is the school from his house? Now understand. This is what? Speed. This is what? Time. Sir, I know distance is equal to, distance by time is equal to speed, or I can write distance is equal to speed into time. Yes or no? Yes. So the distance between school and the time taken is same. Yes or no? Yes. Let's say, sir, 2.5 km per hour was the speed. He took t plus 6 minutes to reach. Now on the same day, he increased his speed by 1 hour. That means he took at 3.5 km per hour speed and he reaches school 6 minutes before the school time. That means t minus 6. So now what? See, this is in minutes. I have to convert it into hours before I solve the whole thing. Sir, 3.5 minus 2.5 is equal to t. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 2.5 into 6 plus 3.5 into 6. So I can write 6 minutes. That means 6 by 60 minutes. That is in hour. Multiplied by 3.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 6 because I had taken this. Sir, 6 10 just 6. So the total time taken is 6 by 10 hours. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, he is moving at 2.5 km per hour. Time 6 by 10, but he takes 6 minutes more. 6 minutes means 6 by 60, or I can write 1 by 10 minutes more. Yes or no? Yes. So I can write 2.5 into 7 by 10. Yes or no? Yes. Or sir, I can write 2.5 into 7 is equal to 17.5 divided by 10, that is equal to 1.75 kilometer. So what is the exact distance? 1.75 kilometer. Okay. Here the common mistake is you directly multiply t with here and you take, sir, 1.5 kilometer is the answer. So that is not the case, because when he is going at 2.5 kilometer per hour speed, he takes 6 minutes more than the usual time. Usual time is 6 by 10 hours. That is what you need to remember. Next. Two women walk from a place at the speed of 6 km per hour and 8 km per hour respectively. First woman takes 40 minutes more than the second woman to cover the distance. Sir, 2 km per hour is the difference. Because of that, 40 minutes is required. So sir, I can write 6 km per hour. He took t plus 40 minutes more than the second one. 40 minutes more means 40 by 60 hour more. That is the same distance covered by second one, 8 into t hours. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 0 0 crossed out, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So I can write 60 plus 3 2s are 6, 4 hour is equal to 80, or I can write 2t is equal to 4 or t is equal to 2 hour. So what is the time taking to travel the whole thing? 2 hours. Sir, 8 takes t hours. Sir, that means 8 into 2, that is 16 km. So what is the distance? Sir, 16 km. Next. Sir, Amar traveled from a village to a post office at a speed of 25 km per hour and walked back at the speed of 4 km per hour. If the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, then find the distance of the post office from the village. So what is happening? This is village. This is post office. He is going at 25 km per hour. When he is coming back, he is walking at 4 km per hour. Okay, and the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes. Then the distance of the post office from the village. Sir, let's say distance was d. He going at 25 km per hour. When coming back, he is going at 4 km per hour and took how much hour? 5 hour 48 by 60 minutes. 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 5 5 is 25 plus 4, 29 by 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Here, sir, what is happening? 12 4 LCM 100. Sir, 25 plus 4 is equal to 29, which is equal to 29 by 5. 29 gone. 5 20 is 100. So distance is equal to 20 kilometer. That is option B. Here it is 20 meter. Here it is 20 kilometer. You need to use your brain and understand it is 20 kilometer. Next. Two men start working together to certain destination, one at the speed of 3 km per hour and another at the speed of 3.7 km per hour. The latter arrives half an hour before the former. Then the distance, sir, 3.75 km per hour he was walking, for example, for T hours. The same distance covered by 3 km per hour person, and he take half an hour more. That means T plus 1 by 2 hours. Yes or no? Yes. 3.75 T, 3T. That is equal to 0.75 T, which is equal to 3 by 2. Sir, 7.5 can also be written as 3 by 4T is equal to 3 by 2. 3 3 gone. 2 2 4. So total time is equal to 2 hour. Sir, 2 hour at 3.75 speed. That is equal to 7.5 kilometer. So distance is equal to 7.5 kilometer. Clear? Sorted? Next. So this is an interesting question. It is saying Ram completes 9th part of the total journey by bus. 4 by 9th part. So bus 4 by 9th part. The 5 by 18th part by train. Train 5 by 18th part. And remaining by walking. Yes or no? Yes. Here it has not mentioned the remaining work. Only here it is the remaining work. Sir, that means I need to make sure everything else is in the same format. That means let's say the total part of the journey was 18. So this part will be 8 by 18 because out of 9 part he is running going 4 part. So out of 18 he will be going 8 part. So out of 18 total, 8 part through bus, 5 part through train. So what is gone? 18 minus 13 is equal to 5 part. So this 5 part is through walking. That is equal to 10 kilometer. So one part is equal to 10 by 5. That is equal to 2 kilometer. So what is the total distance? 18 part. So 18 into 2 is equal to 36 kilometer. Clear? Next. A thief is 400 meters ahead of a policeman. The thief runs away and policeman starts chasing together. Suppose the speed of the thief is 10 km per hour. Speed of policeman is 15 km per hour. Then what is the distance the thief covered before the policeman caught? Sir, 400 was the distance between them. The 400 meter can be written as 400 by 1000 km because everything is in kilometer. Now, the relative speed of thief and police is equal to what? 5 km per hour. So this can be written as 00 crossed out. So this is 4 by 10 divided by 5. So 4 by 50. This is what? This is the time taken. Sir, this is the time taken by what? Police to catch the thief. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, the thief was running at 10 km per hour for 4 by 50 hours. So what is the time covered? 10 5 is 50. That means 4 by 5 hours. So, sorry, 4 by 5 kilometer he covered. Sir, 4 by 5 kilometer in meters will be 4 by 5 into 1000. 5 200 is a 1000. 4 into 200 is equal to 800 meter. That means the thief covered a distance of 800 meter before it caught. Clear? Next. Ravi travels from city A to city B, from city B to city A in 4 hours. If the average speed of the total journey is 68.3 km per hour, what is the distance between city A and B? Speed 68.3 km per hour, traveled for 4 hours, total distance covered 4 3s are 12, 4 is a 32 plus 1 33, 3 gone, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. Sir, this is the distance total covered. But this is not what it has asked. It is asked between distance between city A and B. That means it is the half of this. Sir, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 3 2 6 are 12, 1 2 2 6 are 12. So what is the distance between city A and B? 136.6 kilometer. Next, a bus cover four successive 12 kilometer stretches at 20 kilometer, 40 kilometer, 60 kilometer, 120 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed? So 12 kilometer, 12 kilometer, 12 kilometer, 12 kilometer. It is covered at this distance divided by the time. Sir, 12 kilometer at 20 speed, 12 kilometer at 40 speed, 12 kilometer at 60 speed, 12 kilometer at 120 speed. Yes, sir. Sir, 12 4 times is equal to 48 divided by 12 taken common, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 20, 120. Sir, here 12 4s are 48. I can write 4 by. Sir, this LCM is equal to 120. Sir, this is 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Sir, 4 into 120 divided by 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 tens are 12. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So, average speed is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? Next. A certain distance is covered by a cyclist at a certain speed. If jogger covers the half of the distance in double the time, then what is the ratio of the speed? Sir, cyclist distance in time. Jogger half of the distance d by 2, twice of the time 2t. That means d by 4t. This is the speed of jogger. This is the speed of cyclist. Sir, the ratio is d by t divided by d by 4t. d crossed out, t crossed out. So it is 4:1. That means option C is the answer. Clear? Next. A 725 meter long train passes through a 235 meter long tunnel in 48 seconds. So total distance covered is distance of train plus distance of tunnel in 48 seconds. 725 plus through 235 is equal to 960 by 48. That is equal to 20 meter per second. But I need it to multiply it and make it into kilometer per hour. That is equal to 18 by 5. 5 4s are 28. 18 into 4 is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of the train? 72 kilometer per hour. Next. A train is traveling at the speed of 45 kilometer per hour. Calculate the distance that will be covered by the train in 64 seconds. Sir, meter kilometer per hour should be completed into meter per second. Sir, this is what meter per second for 64 seconds. Sir, this is equal to what? Sir, 2 9s are 18, 2 32s are 64, 9 5s are 54, 5 into 5 25 into 32 meter. That can be written as 25 into 3 is equal to 750, 25 plus 2 is equal to 50, that is equal to 800 meter. Sir, 800 meter is same as 0.8 kilometer. That is option A is the right answer. Next. Sir, a train covers a distance of 35 km in 60 minutes. That means 1 hour 35 km. How long will it take to cover 105 km? Sir, 105 km at the speed of 35 km per hour. That is equal to 3 hour. Option 3 hour not there. That means in minutes. So 3 hour multiplied by 60 is equal to 180 minutes. That is option A. So never panic after saying, sir, 3 hour is not here. What I should do? See, it is in minute. You have found it in hours. So you just have to convert it into minutes. Next. A train traveling at the speed of 72 km per hour crosses a post in 12 seconds. What is the length of the train? Sir, 72 km per hour in 12 seconds. Sir, let's convert it into first meter per second. For 12 seconds, 18 4s are 72, 4 5s are 20 into 12 is equal to 240. So the length of train is 240. Next. A speed of 60 km per hour train crosses a pole in 33 seconds. Sir, basic. 60 km, 5 by 18 meter per second, 33 seconds. 6 3s are 18, 6 10s are 60, 3 11s are 33. 10 into 5 is equal to 50, 50 into 11 is equal to 550 meter. So this is the length of the train. Next. Sir, a train passes two persons who are walking in the opposite direction. The train at the rate of 4 meter per second and 10 meter per second in 10 seconds and 8 seconds respectively. What is the speed of the train? Sir, what happened? Train is moving in this direction, person is moving in this direction. Sir, their relative speed is equal to train speed plus main speed, and they cover each other in 10 seconds. That is what it is given. In the second case, train speed and 10 meter per second speed, it cover it in 8 seconds. Yes? Yes, sir. So let's say the speed of train is S. The speed of train is S. Sir, speed of train, it is asking, sir, S plus 4 speed for 10 second is the distance or the length of train, which is equal to s plus 10 into 8. Sir, 10s plus 40 is equal to 8s plus 80, or I can write 2s is equal to 40, or s value is equal to 40 by 2, that is 20 meter per second. Answer option B. Next, a carriage driving in a fog passed a man who was walking at the speed of 3 km per hour in the same direction. Though relative speed will be deducted, he could see the carriage for 4 minutes and it was visible to him up to a distance of 100 meter. What was the speed of the carriage? That means 100 meter distance he saw, that is the difference in distance, which is equal to relative speed into the time taken. So relative speed is equal to speed of train minus the speed of person 3 km per hour into time, sir, 4 minutes, that is equal to 4 by 60 hours, which can be written as 1 by 15 hours. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Which is equal to what? 100 meter. Sir, 100 meter can also be written as 0.1 kilometer. Yes? Yes, sir. 0.1 into 15 is equal to 1.5 kilometer. That is equal to s minus 3. So s is equal to 3 plus 1.5, that is equal to 4.5 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of the train? Sir, 4.5 km per hour. Clear? Next. A 300 meter long train crosses a platform in 39 seconds while crosses a pole in 18 seconds. Sir, 300 meter train, 18 seconds. This is the speed of the train. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now it is crossing the platform. That means 300 meter train length plus platform length in 39 seconds. That is equal to the speed of the train. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, very simple. Sir, cross multiplication 39 into 300 minus 18 into 300 is equal to 18 into P. Or I can write, sir, 300 common, 39 minus 18 is equal to 21 into 300 divided by 18 is equal to P. 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 6 50 is 21, 7 into 5 is equal to 350. So what is the length of platform? 350. Clear? Next. The Sampark Kranti Express left Delhi for Chennai at 14:30 hours at a speed of 75 km per hour, while Rajdhani Express left Delhi for Chennai at 16:30 hours on the same route at 90 km per hour on the same day. At what distance from Delhi will both the trains meet each other? Sir, Delhi, this is Chennai. Clear? Yes, sir, clear. Sir, what happened? Sampark Kranti Express left Delhi for Chennai. So Sampark Kranti is going from this direction to this direction. Rajdhani Express left Delhi for this direction. That means they are moving in the same direction. We are clear. Here Sampark Kranti started 14:30 hours. Here Rajdhani started 16:30 hours. That means Sampark Kranti is going for 2 hours alone ahead. So what is the distance covered? 120 kilometers distance covered. Sir, Rajdhani speed 90, Sampark Kranti 75. Difference is 15 kilometer. Yeah, 15 kilometer per hour. So what is the time taken? Sir, 10 hours time taken. So after 10 hours they will be meeting. So in 10 hours, how much distance will be covered? Sir, 90 into 10. That is equal to 900. Clear? So what is the distance after from Delhi they will be meeting? Sir, 900. Sorted? Next. A man traveling in a train notices that he can count 21 telephone posts in 1 minute. The poles are 50 meter apart. Then at what speed is the train traveling? See, if this is a pole, then this is a pole, then this is a pole, then this is a pole. For an example, the man is here. He is moving. So he is watching a pole, then going, then watching a pole, then going, then watching a pole, then going, then watching a pole, then going, and so on. Yes. Each pole is 50 meters apart. Yes or no? Yes. And 21 poles like this. That means total distance is 20 into 50. Because the difference between two poles is 50 meter. That is 100 kilometer. Yes or no? Yes. Now this 100 kilometer distance is covered in what? 1 minute. That is 60 seconds. Sir, the speed is equal to what? Sir, 100 meter by 60 seconds multiplied by 18 by 5. Sir, 5 200 is a kilometer. Sir, 6 3 is a 18, 6 10 is a 100, 0 0 crossed out, 20 into 3 is equal to 60 km per hour. So what is the speed of the train? 60 km per hour. Clear? Basic? Next. A train starts at a speed of 40 km per hour. Its speed increases by every 1 hour by 20 km per hour. How much time does it take to cover a distance of 470 km per hour? That means, now see, the options are very small, so I do not need to use any logic. I need to use my common sense. Sir, he started at 40 km first hour, second hour 60 km, third hour 80 km, fourth hour 100 km. Sir, 40, 60, 100, 100 plus 80, 180, 180 plus 100, 280. Sir, 280 is already gone in 5 hours, 4 hours. Fifth hour it will be 120. So 120 into 480 is equal to 280 is equal to 400. So by fifth hour he has covered what? 400 kilometers. That means 70 kilometer is remaining. 140 is the speed. That means 30 minutes is required. So he will cover the whole distance in 5 hours and 30 minutes. Clear? Common sense. I do not need a formula over here. Next. Ratio of the speed of two trains is 4:5. If the second train covers 800 km in 8 hours, then what is the speed of the first train? Sir, second train covers 800 km in 8 hours. Speed is equal to 110 km per hour. Speed of second train 4:5. That means 5 part is 100. So 1 part is 20. So 4 part is 4 into 20. That is 80 km per hour. First train speed is equal to 80 km per hour. Clear? Next. The length of each edge of a cube is 2.6 centimeter. What is the total surface area? Sir, surface area is equal to what? 6a square. That means 6 into 2.6 into 2.6. Or this can be written as 6 into 26 into 26 by 100. Or 6 into 676 by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42 plus 3 45. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40 by 100. That is equal to 40.56 centimeter cube. Centimeter square is the surface area. Clear? Next. The diagonal of a cube is 10 root 3. It is what? 10 root 3. Sir, cube diagonal is equal to root 3a. So the distance, the side of each cube is equal to what? 10 centimeter. So what is the volume? A cube. That is 10 cube. That is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Answer option A. Very simple question, formula based question will be asked from mensuration. Be prepared accordingly. Next, the ratio of volumes of two cube 64 1331. What is the ratio of their total surface area? See, volume of cube means what? A cube. A cube. So side is equal to what? Cube root of this. Sir, cube root of 64 is 4. Here cube root of 64 is equal to 11. Clear? It is asking about surface area. That means 6 into 4 square divided by 6 into 11 square. 6 is gone, 4 square is 16, 11 square is 121. So the ratio is equal to 16 by 121. Common sense, that's all. Next. Rajesh needs to buy some cupboard to build a box that is 12 inches long, 8 inches wide and 10 inches high. How much cupboard is needed to build the box? Box means what? Curved surface area. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into LB, that means 12 into 8 plus 10 into 8 plus 12 into 10. That can be written as 12 into 96 plus 80 plus 120. 120 plus 80, 200 plus 96. So 2 into 296 is equal to 2 6 12, 2 9 18, 2 2 4 plus 1 5. So 582. Sorry, this is 592. My bad. 592 square inches is the total area required. That is option D. Next. If volume of a cube is equal to the volume of cuboid of dimension 54 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 6 centimeter, what is the length of each side? See, volume of this is equal to what? 54 into 18 into 6. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, this is equal to volume of the cube, a cube. Sir, if I have to take out cube root, I can write it as, sir, 9 6 are 54. Sir, 18 is equal to 6 into 3 into 6. Yes or no? A 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Cube root of that. 3 times 3, cube root will be 3. 3 times 6, cube root will be 6. So the one side is equal to 3 into 6, that is equal to 18 centimeter. So length of each side is equal to what? 18 centimeter. Clear? Next. The circumference of a base of a right circular cylinder is 176. Sir, circumference of base, that means 2 pi r is equal to 176. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, here 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 176. 22 8s are 176. 2 4s are 8. Sir, r is equal to 7 into 4, 28 centimeter. Yes, sir. Sir, it is asking about total surface area. Sir, total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Sir, 2 into pi into r plus h, 28 plus 12 is equal to 40. Sir, 7 4s are 24. 4 into 4 is equal to 160. 160 plus 44 into 44. Sir, this can be written as 44 16. 16 6 4 6 are 24. 2 out here. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 4 28 plus 2 30. 414 plus 3 70. Sir, that means 7040 is the distance or the total surface area. That is option C is the right answer. Next, the sum of radius of the base and the height of solid's right circular cylinder is 39 centimeter. Sum of radius and the height is equal to 39. If the total surface area is 21716, what is the volume? Sir, total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. That is equal to 1716. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r plus 39 is equal to 1716. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11. 6 1. 11 5s are 55. 6 6. 11 6 are 66. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 39 4s are 156. 2 2 4 gone. So r is equal to 7 will be here. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, if r is 7 centimeter, h height is 39 minus 7, that is 32 centimeter. Sir, it is asking about what is the volume of the cylinder. That is equal to pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into h. 7 7 gone. Sir, 2 7s are 14. 4 2s are 8. Unit digit 8. Answer option D. I do not need to calculate the whole thing. Okay. So this is how I can directly solve the question. Next. If the radius and height of the cylinder are 25 centimeter and 42 centimeter, radius and height, what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means 2 pi RH. Sir, 2 into pi into r into h. 7 6 are 42. 2 2s are 4. 4 5 20. 26 120. That means 0 will be there. So we have to multiply. 25 2 is equal to 50. 50 into 6 is equal to 300. 300 into 22, that means 6600. So option D is the right answer. Find the maximum area of rectangular field enclosed by 40 meter long rope. See, maximum area of a rectangular field enclosed by a 40 meter long rope. Sir, it is a rectangular field. Maximum area by 40 meter. 40 meter cover means what? The perimeter is 40 meter. So 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 40 meter. So length plus breadth is equal to 40 by 2, that is equal to 20 meter. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now what it is saying? Sir, it is saying what is the maximum area? Sir, the maximum value of L and B for which it will be 20 meter is 10. And 10 into 10 is 100 meter square. So the maximum area will be option D, that is 100 meter square. Otherwise, even if you use any other options, it won't be more than 100 meter square. So the maximum area is equal to 100 meter square. Next, the perimeter of a rectangle and its diagonal are 34 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Sir, this is a rectangle. Okay. So it is saying the diagonal is 13. Perimeter is 34. That means 2 into L plus B 34. So L plus B is equal to what? 17 centimeter. Sir, if this is 13 and this is a right angle triangle, that means it should make a Pythagoras triplet. That means this is 5, this is 12. So 5 is the base, 12 is the length. The area is 12 into 5, that is 60 square centimeter. Next, if the length of a rectangular solar panel having an area of 110 meters square is 10% more than its breadth, that means 110 is equal to length, sorry, let's say breadth is bx, so length will be 1.1x. So 110x into 1.1x will get my answer. Or if I use my common sense, if x is equal to 10, so 1.1x will be 11. So 11 into 10 is equal to 110. So what is the breadth? 10. Clear? Next, 780 square tiles, each of 50 centimeter are required to tile a floor of a square room. What is the length of the side of the room? See, 784 into 50 into 50. 50 into 50 is what? Area of each tile. Into 784. is equal to area of the total room? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, 784 can also be written as 28 into 28 into 50 into 50 is equal to x square, area of the whole room. Yes or no? Yes. So if I take square root, it will be 28 into 50. Sir, 28 into 50 is equal to what? 0, 5 8 is a 40, 4 out here, 5 2 is a 10 plus 40, 14. Sir, this is what? Centimeter. But answer is in meter. Sir, 1400 centimeter is equal to 14 meter. So the answer of the length is equal to 14 meter. Clear? Next. Manish fixed 48 poles in order to fence a square. If the distance between two poles is 5 meter, what will be the area of the see? Basic common question. Total 48 poles are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, like this 48 poles. Gap between each pole is what? 5 meter. So total gap is equal to what? 48 into 5. That is equal to 240 meter. Sir, this 240 meter is what? Sir, this 240 meter is the perimeter of the field, the square field. Sir, perimeter means 4 into a, that is 240. So a is equal to, side of is equal to 240 by 4, that is equal to 60. Sir, if area one side is 60, area is equal to a square, that is 60 square, that is equal to 3600 meters square. Option B is the right answer. Next, the largest chord of a circle measures 10 centimeter. Largest chord. The shortest chord measures 4 centimeter. Largest chord means what? The diameter. So radius is equal to what? 10 by 2. That is 5 centimeter. Answer option. Next, two concentric circles drawn with the radius of inner circle 6 centimeter, outer circle 50% more than the inner circle, that is 9 centimeter. What is the area of annulus? So let's say this is one circle, this is another circle. This circle's radius is 6, the bigger circle radius is 9. It is asking what is the area of this, what is the total area of this shaded region. Now pi into 9 square minus pi into 6 square will get me the area. Pi common, 9 square 81, 6 square 36. Pi means 22 by 7 multiplied by 36 means 45, 40. So 25 into 45 by 70. 45 into 25, 22 is equal to 990 divided by 7 centimeter square is the area. That is equal to option A, right answer. Clear? So with this we completed all the high scoring topics, but I have some bonus questions for you that will help you get a very good hold over trigonometry. Simplify 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Sir, if I multiply over here 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Sir, what it will be? 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. That is equal to sin square A. 1 plus cos A whole square. If I take out the square root, it will be 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Because I am taking out the square root, 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A plus cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. Answer option D. Next, simplification. Sir, in a triangle, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to what? See, in a triangle's ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. That means tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Direct answer. Clear? Next. What is the value of the following expression cos 3x plus cos x divided by sin 3x minus sin x? Sir, here we know cos 3x plus cos x, that means cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B, that means 3x plus 4x, x by 2, that is 4x by 2, that is 2x, into cos A minus B, that means 3x minus x, 2x by 2, that is cos x, divided by 2 into sin A minus B, that means 2 into cos A plus B by 2, that is 2x, into sin A minus B by 2, that is x. Cos 2x gone, 2 gone, cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Simple simplification. Next. Sir, in a triangle right angle at B, so this is a triangle right angle at B, A, B, C. AB 12, BC 5. So AC will be, of course, because it is a Pythagoras triplet, it is 13. So what will be the value of sin A into cos A? Sir, sin A will be 12 by 13. Cos A will be, sorry, my bad. Sin A will be 5 by 13 because we are talking about this. Cos A will be 12 by 13. So answer will be 60 by 169. Second question, sin C cos C. Sir, if this is the angle, so this will be my P. Sir, sin C is 12 by 13. Cos C is 5 by 13. That is equal to 60 by 169. That is option A is the right answer. Next. Sir, 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to what? Very basic question, but you need to understand these types because these are being asked multiple times in NTPC examination, and also in this year we have seen this sort of question. So understand this. It is written what? Root 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, without doing anything else over here, if I say theta is equal to 45 degree, okay, what it will be? 2 plus root 2 plus 2 into cos 180 degree, root 2 of that. That is 2 plus root 2 plus cos 80 means cos 90 plus 90. That is sine. It will be minus. So minus sine 90, that is 2. 2 crossed out. That is root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, root 2 means what? Sir, root 2 means, we'll check the option. Sir, 2 cos theta, 2 into cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Root 2 gone. Answer option C. So we need to check the, if we are taking this value, we need to check the same value in the option and find the answer. Clear? Next. Find the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2. See, let me tell you certain things. Sir, what we know? Sir, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. In inverse trigonometry, it is written as sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Like this was a coefficient, it came to this side. This is written as 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 by sine. And this is now written as 1 by 2 into sine to the power minus 1. This is how it is written. Same way, if it says sine to the power minus 1 and 1 by root 2, that is equal to, what is the value of sine theta for which it is 1 by root 2, that is equal to 45 degree. If it says sine minus 1 root 3 by 2, then it will be 60 degree. Let's say if it says tan root minus 1, that means it is equal to 45 degree. So this is all about. Now, this is in degree, this is in radian. Sir, 1 by root 2, that means 45 degree. In radian, this is pi by 4. Because pi is equal to 180. 180 by 4 is equal to 45 degree. So this is about inverse trigonometry. Clear? Next. Sir, sin theta 3 by 4, cos theta 5 by 4. What is the value of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus cos theta? Sir, 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus sin by cos, that is 3 by 5. 1 minus cot theta, that is 1 minus 5 by 3. Sir, this is equal to 8 by 5. This is equal to minus 2 by 3. Sir, if I cross multiply, it will be 8 by 5 into minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 4 is 8. 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12 by 5. Option B is the right answer. Next. Sir, tan theta is equal to x minus 4x. Then sec theta minus tan theta is equal to what? Sir, sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta square root of that. Or I can write 1 plus tan theta means x minus 1 by 4x whole square root of that. That is equal to 1 plus x square plus 1 by 16x square minus 2 into this. That means 1 by 2. X gone. This is it. Sir, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So this can be written as x square plus 16x square plus 1 by square root of that. Sir, this thing I can also write it as x plus 1 by 4x whole square. X square 1 by 4x whole square is x by 1 plus x square. Sir, 2 into x into 1 by 4x is this much. Yes or no? Square root of that. That is equal to x plus 1 by 4x. Sir, if sec theta is this, then sec theta minus tan theta is equal to x plus 1 by 4x minus my bad, x plus 1 by 4x, x gone, that is equal to 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x, which is equal to 2 by 4x, that is equal to 1 by 2x. Okay, this is one answer. These whole things are also can be written as minus x minus 1 by 4x whole square. Yes or no? Yes. So square root of that will be minus x minus 1 by 4x. I can write it here as also minus x minus 1 by 4x plus
oh, sorry, minus x minus 1 by 4x. 1 by 4x, 1 by 4x gone, that is equal to minus 2x. So the answer will be option B, that is minus 2x or 1 by 2x. This is where you need to use your logic. And this sort of question will be there. You will get confused, but there is nothing to worry about it. You just simply have to solve the questions. Next, if cot 3 theta and cot 6 theta is equal to 1, then the value of tan 15 theta is what? Sir, I simply know that cot 30 degree into cot 60 degree is equal to 1. That means here theta is equal to 10 degree. Clear? Yes. So tan 15 into theta 150 degree. That can be written as tan 90 degree plus 60 degree. That is equal to cot 60 degree. And it will be minus because it is crossing the quadrant. Now minus cot 60 degree is equal to what? Sir, minus 1 by root 3. That is option A. Clear? Sorted? Next. Tan 100 degree plus tan 125 degree plus tan 100 degree tan 125 degree is equal to what? Tan 225 degree can also be written as tan 100 degree plus 125 degree. And tan A plus B formula is equal to what? Tan 100 plus tan 125 divided by 1 minus tan 100 into tan 125. Now see, 125 degree. Tan 125 degree is equal to what? 225 degree is equal to 1. If you check it, it will be 90 degree into 2, 180 degree plus 45. That means it is tan 45 degree. So it is 1. Okay. So I can write 1 is equal to this much. So this will be multiplied here. So 1 minus tan 100 into tan 125 is equal to tan 100 plus tan 125. Or I can write tan 100 plus tan 125 is equal to, because it is coming to this side, is equal to 1. So answer option D. Next. Sir, 6 into sec square theta minus cot square 31 degree. Sir, minus cot square 31 degree can also be written as minus tan square 59 degree. So sec square minus tan square 1. So this is 6 plus 2 by 3 sin 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 3 into tan square 56 y into tan square 34. Sir, tan square 34 is cot square 56. Tan square cot square done is equal to minus 3y is equal to y by 3. So this can be written as 1820 by 3 is equal to y by 3 plus 3y. That is equal to 339 10y by 3. 3 gone. 10 2s are 20. Y value is equal to 2. Answer option D. Clear? Next. It is a good question. The horizontal distance between two towers is 40 root 3 meter. So two towers are at the distance of 40 root 3 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower. Let's say this is the second tower. This is the first tower. Angle of depression. So this angle is equal to what? 30 degree. 30 means this is root 3. This is 1. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, this is 40 root 3 means this is 40 root 3. So if this is 40 root 3, this part is equal to 40. But sir, the total length of the tower is equal to 130. So this much distance is equal to what? 130 minus 40. That is equal to 90 meter. Option B is the right answer. Next. From a point Y on a level ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the lamppost is 45 degree. If the distance between Y from the foot of the lamppost is 80 height, sir, 45 distance, 45 degree. That means this distance is equal to this distance. If this is equal to 80 meter, this will be 80 meter. Answer option C. Next. A window in a building is at a height of 10 meters from the ground. If the angle of depression of the point P on the ground from the window is 30 degree. So let's say this is the window here. This is the ground and the angle of depression, angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree also. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from point P6. This is distance is 10 meter. This is point P. This is the top of the building. So here the angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. What is the height of the building? See, if this is 10, this will be 10 root 3 because of 30 degree. Sir, in 60 degree, this whole thing will be root 3. This will be 1. This will be 2 because of the 60 degree. Now, if one part is equal to 10 root 3, so root 3 part will be 10 into root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 30 meter. So what is the distance of the height of the building? Sir, 30 meter. Option A is the right answer. Next. 5-meter long ladder is leaning against a wall. It reaches to the wall at a point of 3-meter high. If the foot of the ladder is moved 2.6 meter towards the wall, then the distance by which the top of the ladder slides upwards on the wall is what? Sir, first this was the wall. Okay, so the ladder was here. Now it is saying 5-meter long ladder is leaning against the wall. It reaches the wall at a point of 3. So this height was 3. So this must be 4. Clear? Yes, sir. If the foot of ladder is moved to 2.6 meter towards the wall, so it is moved 2.6 meter towards the wall. So what is the distance now? 1.4. And it moved upward. Okay. Now this is 5. This is 1.4. So what is this distance? It will be 5 square minus 1.4 square whole square. So 25 minus 1.96 whole square, that is equal to 0.0423. So 23.04 can also be written as 8 or 2. So 23, it will be either 5 5s are 25 or 4 4s are, so 4 5s are 20. So this is 48. So the square root will be 4.8. 23.04 square root is 4.8. That means this whole distance is 4.8. This much is 3.8. So how much it is increased? 1.8 meter. Option C is the right answer. Next. Sir, from the top and the bottom of 200 meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of the tower 30 degree and 45 degree. So this is a building. This is a tower. Okay. So from the top, angle of elevation is what? 30 degree. From the bottom, it is what? 45 degree. Clear? That means this distance is equal to this distance. 200 meter high building. So this is 200 meter high building. Okay. This part is equal to 200 meter. Let's say this is 200 meter. This is x. So I can write x divided by tan 30 is equal to x by this distance. So this tan 30 is equal to what? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to x by this base. So base is equal to root 3x. Here it is also 45 degree means this is equal to this. That is 200 plus x. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, 200 plus x is equal to root 3x, or I can write root 3 minus 1 into x is equal to 200, or x is equal to 200 into root 3 plus 1. Yes or no? Because root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is 200. So the length is what? The length is equal to 100 plus root 3 plus 1. 100 plus 100 into root 3 plus 1 plus 200. So 200 plus 100 root 3 plus 100, that is equal to 300 plus 100 root 3. Sir, 300 plus 100 root 3 can also be written as, if 100 root 3 taken common, it is root 3 plus 1. That is equal to option D is the answer. Clear? Next. An observer 1.5 meter tall is standing 28.5 meter away at the same level as the foot of the tower. So the observer height is 1.5 meter, standing at 28.5 meter distance of a feet of the tower. Now what is happening? Angle of observation of the observer watching the top of the tower is 45 degree. Then what is the what is the length of the tower? Now let's say this is also 28.5. Now it is looking at here, and this distance is 45 degree. I mean this angle is 45 degree. That means this part is also 28.5 plus the observer distance is 1.5. So 28.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 30 meter. So what is the height of the tower? 30 meter. Clear? Next. This is an interesting question. It is saying the shadow of a tower of 25 root 3 height increases by 50 meters when the angle of depression of the sun is 60 degree to x degree. Find the value of x. So what is happening? Sir, height was 25 root 3 meter. Yes or no? Yes. When the angle of elevation was 60, that means when tan 60 was there, that is equal to root 3. The height was 25 root 3. And this 25 root 3 was what? Sir, this was the height. This was the shadow. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So this 25 root 3 is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to height by shadow length. That means 25 root 3 by shadow length is equal to root 3. Or I can say shadow length is equal to 25 meter. Yes or no? Yes. Now shadow increased by 250 meters. Shadow increased by, 50 meters. So now what happened? Now this distance is equal to 75 meter and this distance is 25 root 3. So angle is equal to height divided by shadow length. So height 25 root 3 meter divided by 75 meter. 25 3 is 75, root 3 is 3. So this is 1 by root 3. So when tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, it is when, sir, theta is equal to 30 degree. So sun dropped from 60 degree to 30 degree. That is option B is the right answer. Clear? You just need to understand this. Angle of the shadow is always equal to height of the object divided by shadow length. Next. The angle of depression of two stones in the same direction from an aeroplane vertically above straight road is 30. This is 30 degree, okay, and 45 degree. If the plane flying at an altitude of 1.365 kilometer, what is the distance between the trains? See, let's say at this height plane is moving, okay. One stone is here, another stone is here. This stone has 45 degree. That means this is 1.365. This is also 1.365. Another stone is at 30 degree. That means if this is 1, this is root 3. Yes or no? Yes. That means this total part is equal to what? 1.365 root 3. Now it is asking the distance between two stones. That means 1.365 root 3 minus 1 will be the distance. Sir, 1.7 root 3 is equal to what? 1.732 minus 1 into 1.3765, that is equal to 1.365 multiplied by 0.732. So this will be approximately equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. So what is the distance between them? It is 1 kilometer. Clear? Sorted? See, last 10 questions. So do not lose your hope. Length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 13 centimeter. The length of one of the other side is 5 centimeter. What is the area? Sir, this is a right angle triangle. It is saying hypotenuse is 13. One side is 5. This must be 12. So what is the area? Half into B into H. 2 6 are 12. 5 6 are 30. That is 30 centimeter square. Clear? Next. The length of two shorter sides of a right angle triangle is 7 and 24. So this is 7. This is 24. Find the radius of the circumradius of the triangle. Sir, if this is 7, this is 24, then this part will be what? This will be 49 plus 576 square root, that is equal to 625 square root, that is equal to 25. Sir, if h is 25, circumradius is equal to what? H by 2, that is equal to 12.5. Answer option A. Next. Area of a rhombus is 440 centimeter square. The length of one of its diagonal is 20 centimeter. What is the length of other? Sir, half into 20 into x is equal to 440. Sir, 210, 0, 0 crossed out. X is equal to 44. So answer C is the right answer. Clear? Next. In a parallelogram, the altitude is twice the corresponding base, and the area of the parallelogram is 288 meters square. So it is saying what? This is a parallelogram. Okay. It is saying the altitude is twice of its corresponding base. The area of the parallelogram is 288 meters square. What is the altitude of the parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is equal to what? Base into height. Sir, base, let's say if x, height is, altitude is twice of the base, that is 2x, that is equal to 2x square, which is equal to 288. Sir, 2, 144. Sir, if x square is 144, x is equal to 12 centimeter. If, sir, x means base is 12 centimeter, height is equal to 12 into 2, that is equal to 24 meter. Everything is in meter. So answer is option D, that is 24 meter. Next. A man walks around a circular pond exactly once if his step is 44 centimeter long and if it takes 700 steps. Sir, 700 steps into 44, that is equal to 0, 0, 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, that is 3080 centimeter, which is equal to perimeter, which is equal to circumference of the circular pond. Sir, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 700 into 44. Yes, 12, 22, 2s are 24, 2 2s are crossed out. So r is equal to 700 into 7, that is equal to 4900. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, 4900 meter is what? R. It is asking about area. So pi, that means 22 by 7 into 4900 into 4900. Or I can directly write 49 meter because everything is in meter. Sir, 7 sevens are 49. 2 sevens are 4, 4 nines are 36. So 6 should be the answer, but I have to multiply it. 27 into 7 is equal to what? Or 7 into 49 is equal to 343 multiplied by 22, that is equal to 2 3s are 6, 248, 2 3s are 6, 686, 686, 6864, 6814, 5, 7. So 7546 is the right answer. Clear? So the what is the area of the pond? 7546 meter square. Next. Sir, in a triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is 2s with usual notion, then the value of sine a by 2 is what? It's a direct formula. It is sine a by 2 is equal to square root of s minus b into s minus c by bc. Okay. If it was asked about sine b by 2, it would have been sine s minus a into s minus c square root by ac. Or if it asked about sine c by 2, it would have been s minus a into s minus b divided by ab square root of that. This is a direct formula. Okay. Next. A rectangle of side 34 centimeter and 18 centimeter is reconstructed to form a rhombus whose perimeter is equal to that of rectangle and one of its angle is 120 degree. Find the area of rhombus in centimeters. Sir, it is saying perimeter of rhombus is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Sir, perimeter of rhombus is equal to what? 4 into each side, that is equal to 2 into 34 plus 18. Sir, 2 into 34 plus 18 is equal to what? 52, that is equal to 104. Sir, 4a by 104 is equal to a by 104 by 4, that is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. That means each side is equal to what? 26. Now it is asking about area. Sir, area is equal to also formula s square sine theta. Sir, s side is equal to 26 into 26. Sine theta, angle between them is 120, sine 120 degree. That means 26 into 26, sine 90 plus 30 is equal to cos 30 degree. That is equal to 26 plus 20 into 26 into root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 26 is equal to 677 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, root 3. So the answer is 338 root 3 centimeter square. Clear? Next. An equilateral triangle of a side 12 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. What is area of the circle? It is asking equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle. When an equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle, the radius of the circle is equal to a by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. So area is equal to pi into a by root 3 square, that is 12 square by root 3 square, that is 3. So it can be written as pi into 12 into 12 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So this is 48 pi centimeter square. That is option D is the right answer. Next. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter. The angle of sector is 40 degree. What is the area of the sector? See. This is a circle. Let's say this was the sector we are talking about. Okay. So it is saying radius 21 centimeter, angle is equal to 40 degree. Okay. What is the area? Sir, it is theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 40 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 4 9s are 360, 7 3s are 31, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 27 into 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. That is option B, right answer. Clear? So the last question of the day. A piece of wire is folded and shaped into a square with a side 44 centimeter. Again, the square is shaped into a circle. What is the radius of the circle? See, perimeter of square is equal to what? 44 into 4. That is equal to 176 centimeter. This is equal to the circumference of the square circle. So 176 is equal to 2 into 25 by 7 into r. Sir, 20 to 8 is equal to 176. 2 4s are 8. So r is equal to 7 into 4, 28 centimeter. So now what is the radius of the circle? 28 centimeter. That is option D. So guys, That's all. This has been built with a lot of effort of the team. I hope you all will put that much effort into this particular video. Understand each and every type, and remember the types, practice is twice before your examination. So all the best from my side and from the team. See you in the next class.